Good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you? Yes. Thank you. Yes. How are you all? திருப்பி கேட்குற பழக்கமே இல்லை போல. Only one girl, right? Thank you, Aishwarya. I'm good. Right. So today our topic is coding and decoding. Yes. Today our topic is coding and decoding, right? And then we have one more topic, right? So coding and decoding. Listen, guys. Yes, coding and decoding. It is one of the important topic, right? Based on this topic, they can ask questions in, what? Not only in CSAT. Okay, we can expect minimum 2 questions from this topic in all other examination also, whether it is bank examinations or else railway, right? So whatever it is, any yes government examination, definitely we have questions from this topic, right? So it is one of the important topic in reasoning part, but it will be very easy to solve the question, right? So actually, what is coding and decoding? We will also apply this technique in our day-to-day day life also, right? Okay, please enable your video, right? Please enable your video. இப்போதான் எந்திரிச்சேன் குளிக்கல அந்த ரீசன்லாம் வேணாம். Please enable your video, right? Yes, guys. Thank you. Right. So what is coding and decoding? Actually, coding and decoding is one is going to send the information to other person, right? One is going to send the information to other person without knowing the information to others, right? If anyone tries to crack or get the information, they should not able to get the information. You should code in that way, right? Clear? So this is one-on-one communication. You are going to send the information to other person, right? The information should not be able to crack by other person. That is what coding and decoding, right? The perfect example for this topic is in Tamil a movie name called Tupaki, and in Hindi Holiday. Movie name is Holiday, right? So in that one A4 paper, right? So there will be a 12 dots in A4 paper, right? The 12 dots represents 12 major areas in Mumbai city, right? So this information knows only by the sleeper cell 8 and one of the sleeper cells among all the sleeper cells, right? So one of the sleeper cell among the all the sleeper cell and sleeper cell 8, right? So one-to-one communication. So this is what, right? So we should code, what to say? Yes, we should code in that way, right? So in that movie, hero cracks the information, but in normally we should code if anyone tries to crack the information, they should not able to get the information. That is what coding and decoding. And actually, this topic initially used in military purposes, okay, to transport a weapon from one place to another place, right? So this is used in military bases, right? Okay. So that's all about the concept of coding and decoding, and we will also apply this in our day life, right? So while speaking to our boyfriend or girlfriend, whenever our parents comes, we will use some code words, right? So that is what our coding and decoding topic, right? Okay, right, and right. So now I will tell you the question. No need to write. Just listen to the board. Just listen to the board. No need to write the question, right? The question will be asked in like this. Okay, if, for example, if Everest, right? If Everest is coded as TSEREVE, clear? If Everest is coded as TSEREVE, then what is the code for Himalaya? What is the code for Himalaya? What is the code for Himalaya? Right? Clear? So listen guys, the question will be like this only. Okay. They will code with some logic. We need to find the logic and then we should apply the logic to the given word. That's it. Okay. They will code the word with some logic. Okay. We need to find the logic and then apply the logic to the given word. Okay. Right. So what is the logic here actually? What is the logic here? They have written the word Everest in the reverse order. Clear? The word the word Everest in the reverse order. That's it. So this is the logic for this question, right? So TSE or EVE. Now we know the logic. We are going to apply the logic in the word Himalaya. That's it, right? AYALAMIH. The word Himalaya. Clear? So questions will be like this only in coding and decoding topic. Okay. So can you find any difficulties here? Yes, very good. Thank you. I think this is the batch I can get more replies, more interaction. Very good. Thank you. Right. So can you find any difficulties here? No, right? So it's very easy actually, right? So now we'll see the types of coding and decoding question. Okay. Types of coding and decoding. So types of coding and decoding is nothing but initially sentence-based coding. That is nothing but word with word coding. Word with word coding, right? Sentence based under word with word coding. Second one is word with number coding. Word with number coding. Third one, symbols based coding. Symbols based coding. Fourth one, Chinese coding or paragraph coding. Yes. Chinese coding or paragraph coding. Clear? Can you able to see, right? Is it clear? Is that clear? Yeah, okay, right. So word with word coding, word with number coding, symbols based coding, Chinese coding or paragraph. Okay. Chinese coding or paragraph coding, right? So these are the types of coding and decoding, right? And we can ask some difficult question here only, right? In word with word coding only. Other than that, all are very easy. Word with number coding, you can get answer within 10 seconds for all the questions. For word with number question, right? You can get answer within 10 seconds, right? Symbols based question, it is also very easy. We are going to interchange that. That's it. Okay, you are going to replace the symbols in the place of alphabets. That's it. Okay, right? So Chinese coding, it is somewhat, we can create some difficult questions here, but in CSAT, you cannot expect difficult questions from Chinese coding, right? So in banks examination, they can ask difficult questions in Chinese coding, but in CSAT examination, you don't get difficult questions in coding and decoding topic itself, right? Okay. Before moving to the topic, to solve coding and decoding question, you should be strong in one concept. What is that? You should be strong in one concept. That is nothing but alphabets, right? Alphabets A to Z. So write the first 13 letters in the normal order. First 13 letters A to M in normal order, right? For example, like this. A, right? So first 13 letters in the normal order and the next 13 letters in the reverse order. Okay, start from here. Next 13 letters, right? So in the reverse order. Right? And then give the numbers for each letters. Right? 26 letters, right? Yes. So, and my kind advice is, you will have buffer time before the examination starts, right? You will have buffer time. So in that time, don't waste the time by, I mean, chit-chatting with others or by seeing all the peoples, right? So try to write these kind of stuffs in the buffer time, right? A to Z and 1 cube to 10 cube, 1 square to 30 square. Write these and all in buffer time itself, because to reduce the time consumption while solving the question. Okay, so you don't need to write this well before solving the question. Okay, so please write this before the start of the examination in buffer time itself, right? So in this information and S squares up to 1 square to 30 square, from 1 to 30 square and 1 cube to 30 cube, right? So use that buffer time for writing this, right? Okay. So any other information? Yes. Okay. So that's all about the coding and decoding topic. Now we will move with the questions, right? So take page number 75. Page number 75. Hey, yes, listen, guys. Take page number 75, and then before that, in word with, we are going to solve the word with word coding question. Okay. So in that we have types of comparisons. Types of comparison. For word with word coding, we have types of comparison. So what is the types of comparison? Actually, first type is first letter with first letter. Clear? First letter with first letter comparison. First letter with first letter comparison. And second one is first letter with last letter comparison. Clear? Third one, any to any letter comparison. Any to any letter comparison. So this is under word with word coding. Okay. So we have three types of comparison. So first one is first letter with first letter, and first letter with last letter comparison, and third one is any to any letter comparison. So we have only this type of comparisons for word with word coding topic, right? So now take the page number 75. Take page number 75. Yeah, yes. Writing in buffer time allowed for these kind of informations only. Okay, because they are going to give you the all papers and all, right? So no need to worry. So you can write in buffer time, right? Okay. So take the question number 25. 25. Could is written as BNTKC, right? BNTKC, right? Margin is written as LZQFHM. Okay. And how will molding be written in that code? How will molding be written in that code? Right? How will molding be written in that code? Okay. And guys, one more information. Right? Okay. So take this comparison. Okay. Take this comparison. Okay. So for first letter with last letter comparison, okay, if this occurs, sorry, write the given word in reverse order. Right? First letter with last letter comparison, if this occurs, write the given word in reverse order. And always compare the closer letters. Always compare the or match. Compare or match the closer letters. Right? Compare or match the closer letters. This is normal one. Okay. These are the three types of comparison. Okay. And this one is for you. Compare or match the closer letters. Right? Compare or match the closer letters. Right? Now, listen here. So could is written as BNTKC, margin is written as LZQ, yes, very good, FHM, okay, right? So now listen here, we need to find, this is first letter, I mean this question is based on first letter with first letter comparison, okay. See the first letter, what is the first letter? C. Here first letter is B, right? We are going to compare these two, right? So what is the relationship between C and B? previous letter of C is B. I mean, so if it is previous, I will use the symbol minus and 1 because the previous letter, right? Minus 1, right? Like that, NO, I mean ON, this is also previous letter, UT. So like that, you can get the comparison, right? And this is the logic, okay? Now we got the logic, we should write the given word, given, I mean, the given word previous letter, right? So we should write the previous letter for this letters, right? So that's it. This is one clue, and another clue is, this is one of the logic. This is the common logic. Another logic is direct logic here, okay? So listen here. So what is the word given here? Molding. Now we know the code already, right? For M. What is the M? Code for M is, we know already, code for M is L, right? And OULD. Here we have OULD. What is the code for OULD? NTKC, right? NTKC, all right? Then ING. So we know the code for IN, HM. So G is for F. So LNTKCHMF. Yes, very good. Option C is the answer. Very good case, right? So now we have two logics. One is, I mean, this is the normal logic, right? We don't get the direct coding, I mean, direct words in all the questions, right? So only some questions, right? So our logic is our previous letter, right? So take down the next question. Question number 26. Computer is written as RF. Computer is written as RF. Okay. Yes, Vashini. Yes, right. Okay. So listen, guys. I will ask you two puzzles based on this topic. Okay. One is at the end of the session, and another one puzzle while during the session. Okay. I will let you know, and let's see who is going to answer for that two puzzle. Right. Right. So computer is written as RFUVQNPC. Okay. So always go with the type 1 comparison. Type 1 is first letter with first letter. So what is the first letter here? C. And here R. Right. So now you can see in the alphabets the distance between the two letters. I mean these two letters C and R is too far. I already told you always compare or match with closer letters. Right. Always compare or match with closer letters. But here C and R, the distance is too far. So in this case, you can compare first letter with last letter, right? So listen here, what is the first letter here? C. In this code, C is the last letter. Here also. So R is the last letter and first R is the first letter in this word. Okay. So whenever it occurs, first letter with last letter comparison, whenever it occurs, this logic occurs, right? So you need to write the given word computer in reverse order. We need to write the given word in reverse order, right? So write RETUPMOC. Okay. Listen, guys. Whenever the type 2 first letter with last letter comparison occurs, we need to write the given word in reverse order. Okay. And then make the comparison. Okay. Now make the comparison. Or first letter and last letter remains same. Now we have E, F, T, U, U, V, P, Q. That means E, next letter is F. So plus 1. Like that, T, next letter is U, plus 1. U, V, P, Q, M, N, O, P. So the logic is first letter and last letter remain same. Okay. So middle letters, I mean remaining letters to next letter, coded with next letters. Okay. So remaining letters coded with next letter. Clear? So like that we need to apply. And one thing, listen guys, while solving this kind of question, okay, we will find the logic and we will apply directly. But what we need to do? What we need to do actually? We will find the logic and then we can apply directly to the given word. Actually, we should not do like that. Okay. So here also write the given word in reverse order and then make a comparison. Okay. So now we know the logic. So write the given word medicine in the reverse order. ENICIDEM. So write the given word in reverse order and then make a comparison. Okay, right? So what is the logic here? First letter and last letter remains same, right? Other letters are the next coded with next letters, right? N O I J C D, again I J D E E F. E O J D J E F M. Okay, so answer D is the option for this question. Very good, guys. Anju, Meera, Narmada, Kanagashruti. ஒரு பையனாவது சொல்றானா பாரு, எல்லாம் என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. டேய் இருக்கீங்களாடா, இல்ல ஒன்லி கேர்ள்ஸ் மட்டும்தானா? ம் சார், ஓ நீ ஓகேடா, சொல்லு சார்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டா, ரைட், ஓகே. So listen, guys. So next I will tell you one question. Okay, try to write the question. It's not in your handout, right? It's not in your handout. Try to write the question, right? If oh, okay, guys. Okay, guys. Try to tell me the answers, right? Yes, right. So now write the questions. If CEJQ, CEJQ is coded as CEJQ is coded as XVQJ, XVQJ, right? CEJQ is coded as XVQJ. Then what is the code for 4-letter word? Then what is the code for right? What is the code for ANJU? Thank you, Hemant. Yes, Anju. Right, okay, very good. So what's the answer? Okay, so listen, guys. To solve this kind of question, just very simple. Listen here. CEJQ is nothing but XVQJ. Now we are going to find the code for, right? Clear? So see your handout. Alphabet is written as A to Z, right? From A to Z. But here I told you, write the first 13 letters in the normal order and the next 13 letters in reverse order to solve this kind of question, right? We can get this kind of question many times here, right? Okay, listen here now. C is the third letter from the normal order. I mean the first normal order, okay? And X is the third letter from the reverse order. C is the third letter from the normal order. X is the third letter from the reverse order. Okay. So to solve this kind of question, we can write like this. Now see, opposite letter of C is X, E is V, Q is J, and J is Q. That's it. Okay. Now we need to find the opposite letters. Right? A. Opposite letter is Z, N, M, right? And J is Q, U is F. So ZMQF is the answer for this question. Not ZMUJ. Is that okay? Listen, guys. Don't get confused here. JQ and QJ, right? I'm not interchanging the letters. Okay, the logic is Q. The opposite letter is J. So J is the 10th letter from the normal order, and Q is the 10th letter from the reverse order. Okay, right? Clear? So answer is ZMQF. Okay. Now take on the 27th question. 27th question. Direction is coded as RIDRTCENOI. How? What is the code for troubling? Right? It's also very easy actually. Yeah, yes, Charan. Yes, very good. Okay. So listen here. So whenever nine letter, you are getting the nine letter, I will tell you something, right? So one logic is here. Okay. Whenever you are getting the nine letter based question, right? Nine letters. Count the number of letters. Okay. So they will ask them type 1, type 2, type 3 comparisons in four letter, five letter, six letter. Okay. So here also they will apply, but before that they will use some other pattern also. So whenever nine letters, you are getting the nine letters. Okay. How can we split the nine letter like this, right? Three, right? Three, 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 right? We can split nine letter like this only, right? So they will use these two patterns to code, right? So always 3, 3, 3 or 4, 1, 4. Okay, they will take like this. Now we will take like this 3, 3, 3, right? So now compare, guys. Listen, guys. Actually, previously, I mean, before telling this, I should explain that. But listen, guys. D and R, first letter with first letter comparison is D and R. Distance is too far. And also compare here D and I, N and R. This is not relatable, right? D first letter with last letter is D I. It's somewhat relatable because D E F H and N O I. It is not relatable. Okay. And also comparing up to these three. Okay, while seeing this like this only, while seeing like this, you can easily conclude, right? So first letter and third letter interchange the position. Second letter remains same, right? First letter and third letter interchange the position, and second letter remains change. Okay, sorry, remains constant, remains same, right? Like that, first letter, third letter interchange the position, second letter remains same. Okay, so this is the concept for this. Okay, like listen guys, this is one logic. If it is nine letter, they will take the pattern like this. Okay, so they will code in whatever way, but here question first and third letter is interchange. Some for some question the logic will be D, so they will get F I J K. For example, D will be F or ST. So like that also. This means so first letter, third letter interchange plus two position. Like that. Okay. So logic will be somewhere, but always pattern will be like this only for nine letters. So now apply the logic here. What is our logic actually? So first letter, third letter interchange the position. Second letter remains same like that. So O R T L B U G N I. Clear? O R T L B U G N I. Yes, very good, guys. And this is for nine letter. For eight letter, okay. For eight letter, we have some patterns. Okay. For eight letter, we have some pattern. So what is the pattern? 3, 2, 3. Listen, 3, 2, 3, or else 3, 3, 2, or else 2, 3, 3. Okay, but this is the common pattern 3, 2, 3. Okay, next one is 4, 4. Right. Next one is for 8 letter, they can split like this 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, or 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. Okay, right? So for 7 letter, for 7 letter, we can split like this 3, 1, 3, or 3, 2, 2. So they can split 313 or 133 or 331, 322 or 232 like that. Okay. But the common pattern is for 7 letter, 8 letter, 9 letter I have given here. Okay. Please note this. Please make a note of this. So you need to remember, sir, but the options given does not have the answers we got for 27. Yeah, yes, Vashini, right? So 27th options are wrong. Actually, they have given the option question code itself. They have given the options for question code itself. Okay. So options are wrong, but our correct answer is O R T L B U G N I. Okay. Given four options are wrong. Okay. So this is the answer for us, right? Clear now? So please make a note of this. Right? Okay. So now try to solve the 28th question. 28th question. If archery is written as, if archery is written as So listen, while seeing the question itself, we can clearly say this is a 7-letter word. If it is 7 letter, we have pattern is 313 or 232 like that. Okay. Now listen here. Listen here. So A and D are somehow closer letters. Yes, C and B also closer letters. R yes, right. Listen guys, A and D, C, B. For example, A plus 3, R, S plus 1, C, B minus 1. Okay, listen guys. Plus 3 plus 1 minus 1, right? It is not in a sequential way, right? It is not in a sequential way. So always we should get, coded this logic plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 like that. Or else plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or else minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 like that only. So this is not in a sequential way. So it is not like a direct way, right? Like this. Okay. So now we need to we need to compare the closer letters. So what is the closer letter here? A and B are the closer letter. Likewise, C and D are the closer letter. Okay. Now only you can able to conclude. Now you can able to conclude. This is the 7-letter word. They have made the 3, 1, 3 comparison. Clear? A, B, C, D. Now compare here. E, F, Y, Z. R, S, R, S. Clear? So now AB is plus 1, CD is plus next letter, R is the next letter. Likewise, E next letter, F, Y next letter is Z, and R next letter is S. Okay. So then H next letter is I, right? Next letter of H is I, but here we have G. That means previous letter of H is G, right? Okay, listen guys, always look, see for all the letters. Now we get right plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So don't assume yourself middle letter is also next letter of the given letter. Okay. But here, listen here. H is the, G is the previous letter of H, not next letter of H. Okay. So we need to close, Now we need to apply the logic here. So what is the logic? 3, 1, 3. Okay. Others, for this, the TER is the next letter. But for M, middle letter, we should code the previous letter. So what is the previous letter of M? Previous letter of M is nothing but L. Now it's very easy, right? Right. T, U, R, S, E, F, L, we have E, F, T, U, I, J, right? S, F, U, L, F, U, J. Option A is the answer. Yes. Sometimes we will go with option B. That's why I told you. So look out for all the letters. Okay. No, don't assume yourself, right? Look out for all the letters. Okay. Whether it is a given concept is next letter or previous letter. Okay. So look out for all the concept and don't do mistakes here. So most of us, okay, I will commit most of the mistakes here. I will get the correct logic, but while taking the answer, I will put N because N is the next letter of M. But you should see the logic correctly. So we should code previous letter of M, not next letter of M. Okay. Yes, clear? Yeah. Yes, yes. Thank you. How to find these comparisons? Syed, actually, yes, comparisons is very easy. Actually, do more practice. Do some practice in coding and decoding question. That's it. Very simple, actually. So if you are, if you able to see at least 10 or 15 question, you came to know what is the comparison. What is the logic behind here while seeing the question itself. Okay. So I don't go with comparison and all. To teach, I will explain all the concept, right? I need to explain all the concept while teaching, right? But I don't go with comparisons and all. Okay. I'll see the question. While seeing the question itself, you definitely you came to know. So which logic is the question is based on? It's very easy to find actually. It's very easy to find. Okay. I don't go with comparisons and all. Okay. But I know the concept of coding and decoding, how to compare and all. Okay. That's it. Okay, so that's all about the word with word coding question. Okay, and I already told you we can create difficult questions only in word with word coding. Okay, not in word with number coding and all. Okay, now listen here. Word with number coding. Take the question number 31. 31. Direct question. Only 5 seconds for the question, right? ripple, RIPPLE, ripple is nothing but 613382, right? And life is nothing but 8192, right? 8192. So pillar, right? So listen here, this is the direct question actually. So what is the code for R is 6, I is 1, P is 3, E is 2, L is 8. Okay, what is the code for P now? 3, right? I 1, L is 8, E is 2, R is 6. That's it. 318826 is the answer for the question. Okay, and this is very very easiest question actually. I mean direct question, direct question. Okay, so now tell me the. Okay, so yes. Okay, now we will go with 37 question. 37, question number 37. Question number 37. Listen, guys. In word with number coding, they can ask questions in three forms. Okay, so one is this one. This is direct method. Okay, the code. I mean, this is direct coding method. Okay, and another one is now you can see 37th question. Z is equal to 52 and ACT is equal to 48 and BAT is equal to question mark, right? Z is equal to 52, ACT is equal to 48, BAT is equal to question mark. Okay, that is direct coding. Here we have some numbers for letters, right? So whenever you are seeing this, like this question, okay, right? Whenever you are seeing question like this, right? You can clearly assume yourself as position of the letters in the alphabet, right? You need to find the position of the letters in the alphabet. Clear? You need to find the position of the letter in the alphabet. Can you tell me the position of the letter Z in the alphabet? 26th position, right? Right? So letter Z is in 26th position, right? So now tell me, how can you get 52 from 26? How can we get 52 from 26? Into 2, right? That's it. Okay. So position of the letters in the alphabet into 2 is our logic. Now what is the position of the letter A? 1, 3 is, C is 3 and T is 20. Position of the letters into 2, right? Okay. 1320 into 2 means we will get 2640. But here we have 48. Okay. We have 3 numbers here and we have 48 here. So how can we get 48 from these 2 numbers? Just sum the numbers, right? It will give 24. So now we can get 24 into 2 is nothing but 48. Clear? Right? So 1 plus 3 plus 20 is nothing but 24. 24 into 2 is 48. What is the logic for question is sum of the position of the letters in the alphabet. That is the logic. Sum of the position of the letters in the alphabet. Clear? So next one, BAT, right? So what is the SB is in second, A1 and again T is 20, 23 into 2 is nothing but 46. Actually 46 is the answer for third question. Yes, clear. Yes, Aishwarya, 1320 is nothing but actually the position of the letter A is 1 and the position of the letter C is 3 and position of the letter T is 20 in the alphabet. Clear? So 1320. So okay, Aishwarya, so is that clear? Yes, okay. Okay, so listen guys. So this is the logic. Okay, they can ask questions in word with number coding based on the position of the letters in the alphabets or else sum of the position of the letters in the alphabets. They can ask question like this only. Okay. Now I already told you, right? I will tell you the puzzle, right? So one of those puzzles is please yes, try to write the question, right? I will dictate you. It's not in your handout. Okay. I will dictate you. It's not in your handout. Okay. Let's see who is going to answer for this, right? Top is coded as 1. Top, T-O-P, top is coded as 1. Tar is coded as 2. Top is coded as 1. Tar is coded as 2. Goa is coded as 3. Then how will you code the word Avenger. How will you code the word Avenger? Right? So tell me the answer now. Top is coded as 1, Tar is coded as 2, Goa is coded as 3, and what is the answer for Avenger? Right. Siddharth, Anju, Nabya, Ruby, Murli. So Ruby, last question. Ruby, last question. Position of the logic is, last question, logic is sum of the position of the letters in alphabet. Right? See, Z is 26. This is the logic for this question. Okay. 26th letter into 2 is 52. Likewise, A is first letter, C is third letter, T is 20th letter. Okay. So we need to sum all these letters. So we can get 24 into 2 is our logic. So 24 into 2 is 48. Like that, B is the second letter, A is the first letter, T is the 20th letter. So 23 into 2 is something about 46. Right? Clear. Is that okay, Ruby? Yes. So I can get most of us, most of you guys answered for answer 5. Why 2? Oh, you are asking for this 2. Yeah, then only we can get 52, right? So our logic is we have 52. Our code is 52, but we can get 26. 26 into 2 is 52. Now we have 48. Here we have 24. So how can we get 48 from 24? 24 into 2 is 48, right? Right? So we need to know the logic of multiply into 2. Okay, we need to get 48, but we have only 24. Then we need to multiply into 2, right? Okay, clear. Yes. Yes, I can get most of the answers is 5, but 5 is not a correct answer. Okay, if 5 is not in the given option, then what we can do? We need to go for another logic, right? So try to find the another logic. Answer is not 5. Answer is not 5. Right? Answer is not 5. Yes, I think I got answers, correct answers from 2 guys, and the name is Siddharth, right? So he told me answer yes before 2 minutes itself, 2 or 3 minutes itself. Okay. So Siddharth and Kanagastuti and Kavi, yes, you got the correct logic, but not telling the correct answer, right? So yes, very good. Kavi, Kanagastuti, and Siddharth got correct answers, right? Answer is 3. Answer is 3. What is the logic here? Answer is 3, right? Siddharth, Kanagastuti, and Kavi, right? So answer is 3. Logic is number of vowels present in the given word. Okay, number of vowels present in the given word. Actually, how many vowels we have? We have only 5 vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U, right? We have 5 vowels, right? So how many vowels are there in the given word? Okay. So take the first word, top. So how many vowels are there? O is the only vowel here. Here in ter we have A and E are the 2 vowels. Okay. In Goa, right? U, A, A. We have 3 vowels. Now in Avenger, A, E, and again E. So we have 3 vowels in the question. Clear? We have 3 vowels. So logic is based on, yes, 3 vowels. Vowels count, that's it. Okay, logic is based on vowels count, number of vowels present in the given word, right? This is one of the trickiest logic can be asked in word with a number coding. Other than this, it will be very easy, right? Clear, right? So now you know this logic also. They can ask question based on the vowels, okay? Now you know this logic also. Then hereafter it will be very easy, right? You know, right? How can you how can we solve the question, right? You know this logic now, okay? Then it will be, hereafter it will be very easy, right? It also takes only 5 or 10 seconds to solve the question in examination, right? Okay. Now take the question number 29. 29. So 29th question. So read the question. அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஈஸி, நீங்களே சொல்லிடலாம், ரைட்? So listen guys, reds are blues, blues are whites, yes, whites are yellow, yellows are oranges, oranges are pink. Then what is the color of sky? So what is the color of sky? Sky's color is, we know sky color is blue, okay? But in question we have blue in two sentences, right? Reds are blues, blues are white, okay? Now how can we conclude? Always if the color of sky is blue, then we need to go from left to right, okay? So blue will be in the first, okay? We need to take that only, left to right. So not right to left, right to left, okay, is wrong. We need to take the first letter, okay? Color of sky is blue, blues are whites, right? So blues are whites, we should come from left to right, right? Our finding word should be in the first, right? Should be in the left, okay? So blue should be in the left, not should be in the right. If blue is in right, that's wrong, okay? Now tell me, blues are white, so white is the answer for this question, okay? And don't take it like that, sir. Blues are white, then whites are yellow, yellows are oranges, oranges are pink, okay? Don't take it like that. So pink is not the answer, okay? So we need to find the sentence within comma, right? Within comma. That's all, okay? So reds are blue is one sentence, blues are whites, it's one sentence, okay? That's it. So don't go with don't go up to the end, okay? That's all. This is the end of one sentence, right? Blues are whites, it's a one sentence. Clear? Yes. White is the answer. Always from left to right. Our finding word should be in the left, right? So blue should be in the left, right? So now tell me the answer for 36th one. Tell me the answer for 36th one. If orange is called lemon, lemon is called flower, flower is called fish, fish is called tail, and tail is called pen, what is rose? What is rose? எதை கொண்டு போய் எதை கூட கம்பேர் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்கல்ல? ஃப்ளவர், ஃபிஷ், வேற லெவல் கம்பேரிசன். ரோஸ் என்னன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும், ஃப்ளவர் தான். எஸ், ரோஸ் இஸ் அ ஃப்ளவர். பட் எஸ், கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 36. Ruby, question number 36. Yeah. Flower, okay. What is the question? What is called rose, right? What is rose actually? Rose is a, see, rose is not given in the question, but we know rose is a flower, right? Rose is not given in the question. Rose means flower, right? So here we have, right? Flower is called fish. So option D, fish is the answer. Yes, Hema, fish is the answer, right? Fish is the answer for this question. Clear? Is there any doubt? Fish is the answer for this question. Guys, is there any doubt for these two questions, 29 and 36? Shall we move to the next question? Yes? Oh, okay, very good. So take down the question number 30. Take down the question number 30. Question number 30. A stands for plus, B stands for minus, C stands for into, right? Our question is 10 C4 A, again 4C4 B6, okay? So I told you, right, symbols based question. So this is what? Symbols based question, okay? A stands for plus, B stands for minus, and C stands for into. Not we are nothing we are going to do. Okay, so we are going to write, I mean place the symbols instead of the letters. Okay, so we are going to insert the symbols instead of the letters, right? So what is meant by C? C stands for into. So replace C by symbol, right? 10 into 4, right? Plus, so A means plus, right? Again 4 into 4. So B means minus 6, right? So 10 into 4 is nothing but 40 plus 16 minus 6. So 56 minus 6 is nothing but 50, right? So this is symbols based question, okay? So we are going to use symbols in the place of letters, right? We are going to use symbols in the place of letters. That's it. That is the logic for this question. It's very easy. Yeah. Clear? Now Chinese coding. So, B. Okay, listen guys. கொஞ்ச நேரம் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ற மாதிரி ஆன் பண்றது அப்புறம் அப்படியே மறந்துடுறது. Right, okay. So listen guys. So this is Chinese coding, right? So why we are calling Chinese coding? Okay. So read these words. Actually read these words. Pit na som. Najo toad. It is like a Chinese word, right? So that is not an exact reason. Actually, to solve this kind of coding and decoding question, we don't want to know the languages, right? We can convey our information through our expression itself, right? So we can convey our information through our expressions also. Okay. So if you are not knowing the language also, we can convey our information like that only. So here we are not coding direct word. Not pit is the code for bring. Na is code for me. Som is not code for water. Actually, this is completely different. Okay, for previous questions. Okay, so not pit is the code for bring. Okay, Na is the code for m. Som is not code for the water. This is wrong. So you don't code like this. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, I will tell you. So how to get the answer for this. Right? Listen here now. Okay. So this is sentence number 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to compare each and left hand side and right hand side. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay. So now take the sentence 1 and 2. So first you need to take the sentence 1 and 2. Which word is repeated here? In sentence 1 and 2, which word is repeated here? See, compare these two sentences. Which word is repeated? Na. Na is repeated in sentence 1 and 2. Clear? Na is repeated in sentence 1 and 2. This is in left hand side. Now go for right hand side. Now go for right hand side. So which word is repeated in sentence 1 and 2? Which word is repeated in sentence 1 and 2? Water. Clear? Clear? So that means Na is the code for water. Clear? Is that clear now? We need to compare sentence 1 and 2, two sentences, okay? And then we need to find, so which word is repeated in both left hand side and right hand side, okay? Now take, so life is here. So we'll take life. So where life is repeated again? So in the sentence 2 and sentence 4. Sentence 2 and sentence 4, okay, life. So which word, Now come to the right hand side. Which word is repeated here? In sentence 2 and 4, which word is repeated? Sentence 2, Joe is repeated, sentence 2 and 4. So the code for Joe is life. Okay. So here left out one is TOD, right? Here left out one is TOD. In right hand side left out one is. What is our question? Which of the following represents is in that language? So is coded with TOD, toad. Yes, Navya. Yes, yeah, I got most of the replies. TOD is the answer for this question. Okay, right? TOD is the answer for this question. Clear? Right? So now you can try for 35th question. 35th question. 35. And you can tell me the answer. 35. And guys, if you have any doubt in 33 question, you can ask me now. If you don't have doubts, you can solve the 35th question. 35th one. Listen guys, we need to find for and, okay, right? We need to find the code for and, okay. Actually, where is and here? And is here. So what are the two words in between? I mean, so and, okay, clean and neat. So we need to find the code for clean and neat. Okay. So clean is the sentence 2 and sentence 1. Okay. Now which word is, I mean, which symbol is repeated in sentence 1 and 2? As. So as is nothing but clean. Likewise, we have neat, right? We have neat in sentence 3 and 2. So at is repeated in sentence 2 and 3, right? So at means neat. So now left out is D, here left out is and, okay? So then the code for and is D. Clear? Code for and is D, right? Code for and is D. Yes, very good. Okay. Now listen here now. So 32nd question, it is also same like this concept. Okay, so you can try it by your own. Okay, 32nd question. Yes, answer is yes, Vashini, your answer is correct. Yes, Murali, very good. Try to solve the 32nd question. If you got answer for that one, uh, try to solve the 39th and 40th question. Try to solve the 39th and 40th question. If you got answer for 32nd, try to solve the 39 and 40th question. Okay. Yes, yes, guys. For 30-second question, answer is 8. Okay. For 30-second question, answer is 8. Okay. Any doubts in the 30-second question? Right? No, right? That's very good. For 39th question, okay. For 39th question, 39 A, B, C, X, Y, Z, D, E, F. Okay. So listen guys, very easy actually. A, B, C is the first three letters in the normal order, right? A, B, C. So X, Y, Z is the last three letters. This is the first three letters. This is the last three letters. Actually, opposite letter of A is Z, B is Y, and C is X, right? But they have coded like this. Write it clearly. So A is Z, C is X, and B is Y. So we need to code like that. So what is the D? Opposite of D is W, V, sorry, yes, V, U. So we need to code like this. So U, V, W is the answer, right? U, V, W is the answer for 39th one. Okay. So clear, right? So actually first three letters, last three letters. Okay. And this is the fourth, fifth, sixth letter. Likewise, this is the fourth, fifth, sixth letter. But they have written like this. First letter to the third place and third letter to the first place. Okay, they have written like that. So X, Y, Z. So we need to write like this. U, V, V, W is the answer. Okay. So 40th one, 40th one, 40th one, answer is C. Adina A and C. Rahul, A and C. Yes, Surya and Surya, Hemant, Suresh. எப்பா பசங்க நிறைய பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணானுங்கப்பா நல்ல பசங்க ரைட் ஓகே லிசன் ஹியர் எஸ் சி டி டி இ எஃப் யூ ஜி ஹெச் ரைட் actually I appreciate you guys. Question is a dash was missing in the question, right? So WK, this is the proper question actually. This is the proper question actually. But still some students can find the answer, right? Like Hemant, Surya. So they have told me the correct answer. Very good. Surya, yes. Kanakashruti, Navya, yes, very good guys. Right? So listen here. This is like alphabet series. We can compare simply. Listen here. S, C, D, T, E, F, U, G, H, W. You can compare the first letter, right? S, T, U. So next will be V. So next should be W. Is that correct, right? S, T, U, V, W. So next one is C, D, E, F, G, H. So definitely next should be I, J, K, L. Clear? It's the order, right? Order of alphabets. S, T, U, V, like that. C, D, we have here. E, F, G, H. So next should be I, J. Clear? Yes, very good. Yeah, Roshini. So V, I, J is the answer for 40th one. Okay, V, I, J is the answer for 40th one. Okay, right? Agnoscrenia means poisonous snake, poisonous spider, poisonous snake. என்ன அப்படின்னா Delanocrenia. Okay, listen, guys. 40-second question. Take the 40-second question. Take the 40-second question. So in previous question, they asked the question, what is the code for is? What is the code for n? So it is mentioned in the question, right? It is mentioned in the question, right? Right? So they asked for is and like this while Chinese coding question. But here we have black widow spider in question, right? Black widow spider in the question. But the black widow is not mentioned anywhere in the question. Black widow is not mentioned anywhere in the question, right? Yes, listen this. Listen here. Now, it's very simple actually. So, Agnoscrinia poisonous spider, Delanocrinia poisonous snake, Agnostere brown spider. Okay. Now we are going to find for black widow spider. Okay. Spider is mentioned in the question, but black widow is not mentioned in the question. Okay. So still we need to find the answer. Still we need to find the answer. Black widow is not mentioned in the question. Okay. So how can we solve? We can find the code for spider and then we can compare with the options, right? Okay. Now we need to find the code for spider. Spider is repeated in sentence 3 and sentence 1. Okay. Sentence 3 and sentence 1. So in both agnos, agnos, agnos is repeated in both sentence 1, sentence 3, right? So we can assume that agnos, not assume, we can confirm that agnos is code for spider. Okay. So agnos is code for spider. Okay. Then we can able to get the answer which option as agnos, that is the correct answer, right? So now see the option agnos, option B. So we have agnos in all the options A, B, C, D. We have agnos in all the options. Okay. So how can we conclude the answer? Okay. Then go for the other clue. So spider, spider. Okay. So listen here. Whenever spider comes in the last, okay, whenever spider comes in the last, agnos comes in the front. Here we have spider in the last. So agnos should come front, right? Whenever spider comes in the last, agnos comes in the front. Okay. So in that way, we can eliminate two options. So agnos is in the last. So I have eliminated that. In option D also, agnos is in the last. Okay. So I can eliminate that. That also. Right. So I have eliminated option A and D. Okay. Now we have option B and C with us. Okay. Now listen here. Agnes Delano. Right. So see the question. Delano. Delano is mentioned in the question, but Black Widow is not mentioned anywhere in the question. Then definitely Delano cannot be the code for Black Widow. So we can eliminate option B. Option C is the only possible answer for this. Right? Clear? So whenever spider comes in the last, Agnos comes in the front. In that way, we have eliminated option A and D. And Delano is mentioned in the question, right? Delano is mentioned in the question, but Black Widow is not mentioned. So I have eliminated option B. Option C is the answer for us, right? So the one who told me initially is Ragul Raja, yes, Ragul, and yes, Suresh, very good. Hemant, Divakar, very good. And one more guy, his name Santosh Kumar, very good. Kavi, Hemant, Espeluchami. Yes, thank you. So answer is not D, Kirtiga. Answer is C. Agnos Vitriblunin. Answer is not D. Right? Answer is not D. Answer is C. Yes. Okay. Clear? Clear? Right? Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question? Please turn on your video. Please turn on because I cannot take class while seeing empty chairs. That is the main reason actually. Okay, because no one is sitting in front of me, right? I can't see anyone. I feel like I'm blabbering, right? So try to turn on your video. Right? Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Okay. இது மட்டும் நல்லா ரிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. Yes. You are replying for my question, but you are not turn on your video. Right. So question number 38. Question number 38. Right. So listen, guys. In 32, question number. Okay. So okay, Aishwarya. It's okay, Aishwarya. Right. So in question number 33, 32 and 35, okay, so we have a sentence, right? So one is based on number and another one is based on symbol and another one is based on letter, right? But in question number 38, okay, so we have all the three for a single word, right? Letter, symbol, and number. In 32, 33, 35, so we have any one, right? Any one of these three. But in this question, we have three actually, right? We have three, right? Actually, a secret behind this question is I will tell you later, okay? Right? So we have three. Now we should find the code for again translate, but translate is not given anywhere here, right? Translate is not given anywhere in the question. Clear? Translate is not given anywhere in the question, but we need to find answer for the word. We need to find the answer for translate. Clear? We need to find the answer for translate. Okay. Okay. Very simple. Let's see how can we conclude. Right. What is the code we have here? I mean, the major clue is letter and number are the major clue for this question. Letter and number. Okay. So listen here. We have 2n and 2e is the code for us. What is 2n? Okay. Right. So here we have 2n. So come to the left hand side. Where we have n in here in left hand side. Here we have n and again we have n is here. Okay. So listen here. Here we have in given we have 1n and plan we have 1n. Okay. Then 2e is here. Okay. Then come here 2e time and simple. Okay. Here we have one more e. But now itself we can conclude. Okay. These letters are last letter of the given word. Clear? These letters E, E, N and N are last letter of the given word. Clear? Last letters of the given word. Okay, right. So now we have E4. So E is in the time and simple. Now we have E4 and E6. Okay. So what is the code for 4? Okay, what is the logic for 4? How many letters are there in the time? T, I, M, E. How many letters are there? 4 letters. So E4. Now take simple. S, I, M, P, L, E, simple. So last letter of word simple is E and the total number of letters is 6. That's it. This is our clue, right? I mean, they have taken the last letter of the given word and total number of letters. For example, take here Tired. Total number of letters is 5. Last letter is D. We have D5. Okay, that's it. Now listen here. So translate. What is the last letter? E is the last letter. Count the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So E9. Okay. By this itself, we can conclude the answer by seeing the option. So see the option. We have only one option ends with 9. We know E9 is the correct. Okay. We have only one option ends with 9 is B. But we need to know right. So what is the code for at? Okay. What is the logic behind that? Okay. Listen here. So see the right hand side. At is the sentence 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to take at E4. We already know E4 is nothing but time. Okay. Now come for D5. D5 is for tired. Okay. So here time. Here D5 is tired and here at N4. So where is and turn? T-U-R-N, turn. So here and again at M4, team. Okay. So now we can able to conclude, right? Whenever the word starts with T, they are representing with at. Clear? We can able to conclude, right? See, at, team, tired, time. Okay. Whenever the word starts with T, they are representing with at. Okay, so now we have the word translate starts with T, so we need to represent with at. So at E9 is the answer for the question, right? At E9 is the answer for the question. Clear? Clear? And guys, this is one of the difficult question in coding and decoding, and this can be asked only in bank examination, not in the CSAT examination. Clear? I can tell this before itself, but you don't listen. If I tell this, it cannot be asked in CSAT, means you don't listen to the question. That's why I didn't tell you, right? But we need to know all the logics, right? We need to know all the logic and concept of coding and decoding. Okay, this question asked, I mean, based on this concept, okay, they asked in 2018 or 19 bank examination. Okay, so they introduced this kind of concept. Before we don't have this concept, but they have introduced later. I mean, they have introduced recently, right? So this can be asked only in bank examination. This is one of the difficulty question in coding and decoding topic. Okay, I think that's all about the concept of coding and decoding. And one more concept is there. Okay, take the question number 43. Take the question number 43. And yes, guys, 41 is same as like that 42nd question. 41 is same as like that 42nd question. So it is also very easy to solve. So try to solve by your own. Okay. Now take the 43rd question. Okay. Guys, this is another one concept. Yes, very good answer. Yes, this is alphabet series. Okay, so the sequence should be. I mean, this number, the counting of letters should be in a sequential way, right? It should follow some logic, series of logic. Okay, there is no method to solve this kind of question. Okay, based on the options only, we can finalize the answer. Okay, and normally we can solve the question and we will find the answer. But here we are going to find the answer based on the option in reverse order. Okay. So listen guys, first we need to apply. Okay. Before that, we need to count the number of letters. So how many letters are there actually? How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Yes. So can you tell me the factors of 12? Can you tell me the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12? 2, 3, 4, 6 are the factors of 12, right? Okay. So remember this, okay? First we need to find the count the total number of letters and we need to find the factors of that number, okay? So 2, 3, 4, 6, okay. Now we can take the option A, right? So fill the letters with in the dash A, B, B, right? Again B, again B, again A, right? So what is our first factor? 2, okay. Always to take 2, like A, B, like this. If we take 2, so if it is AB, then it should be there in all the centers, right? So AB, 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 like that, okay. But here we have BB and again we have AA. Then definitely it is not the option, okay. So now we will go with the second option, okay. Now we will go with second option, right? So what is the second option here? A, B, B, again A, again B. Now listen here. AB, 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 and last also AB. Okay. So listen, guys. We can find answer based on the option only. Okay. So we need to fill the dash, and then we need to find the answer based on the option. Okay. right? There is no method, no other method to solve this kind of question. We need to find based on the option only. Okay. So why we have two? Okay, we need to compare three also, right? For example, ABA, then it should be ABA, but here BAB like that. Okay. For that we need factors, but the major part is based on the option we are going to find the answer. Right? Clear? Right? So now, yes, you can solve the 44th, yes, 45th, 46th. So already we have solved more questions here. So take the question number 47. Question number 47. Take the question number 47. ABC into DED is equal to ABC. ABC. It's very easy actually. I think in our 10th or 9th, I think so. In our 10th standard or 9th standard, we can read some identities of mathematical, yes, mathematical identity, right? I think you can remember or right, okay. So we have one identity, right? So what is that identity? Means any three numbers, right? Any three numbers multiply with any three numbers multiply with 1001, right? Any three numbers multiply with 1001, then it will repeat twice. Okay, listen here. For example, if it is 123 is multiply with 1001, this is identity 1001, okay, then our result will be 123 123. Clear? 123 123. So any three numbers multiply with 1001, okay, it will give result like this. Okay. Yeah, sure, Sharmista. 1 minute, okay. On after this, I will explain the 43rd question again. Okay. So any three number, for example, if it is 7, 6, 5, if it is so, into 1001 means your result will be like this. Okay. So then what will be the answer? D is 1, E is 0. So D is equal to 1, E is equal to 0. Option is C. Option C is the answer for this question. D is 1, E is 0. Okay. Option C. Option C is the answer. D is equal to 1, E is equal to 0. Listen here, we know our identity is 1001. So D is 1, E is 0. So any three letters or three numbers multiply with like this, it will repeat like, I mean twice. Right? So this is the mathematical identity. Answer is C. Right? Any doubt? Any doubt? Right? Yes. And one more question I forgot to tell you. So question number 34. Take the question number 34. Question number 34. Take the question number 34. Bombay. Bombay is written as MY, MY, MY. Right? What is the code for Tamil Nadu? Oh, very good, Meera. Yes. Like whenever you are getting question like this, okay, so the same two words repeated continuously. Whenever we are getting question like this, compare. What are the letter given here? M and Y. So where is M and Y in Bombay, right? So M. So what is the relationship between M and Y? So M is the third letter and the next third letter is Y. So M is the third letter and then third letter is Y. So they have taken M, Y. So every third letter, they have taken every third letter. Count the number of letters in the Bombay. So how many letters, total letters? Is 6. So we need to do up to 6 like MY, MY, MY. Okay. In the same way, what is our logic? Third letter. So third letter is M. Next third letter is N. Again, next third letter is U. So M, N, U. How many letters are there? 9 letters are there in Tamil Nadu, right? So again M, N, U, M, N, U. Clear? Clear? So very easy actually. Whenever you are getting your two letters are repeated continuously, compare. So where the position of the the letter in the given word. That is the logic. Okay, right? Yes. Okay, guys. So remaining questions are homework. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you one puzzle. Right. Uh, I want to ask you. I think did I give my number to you guys on that day? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now I will ask one puzzle. And one girl asked me one doubt. Wait, sir, Mister. Yes, sir, Mister. You can ask me your doubt after this puzzle, right? Okay. So listen, guys. Assume that you are a thief. Assume that you are a thief, right? No need to write and all. Just listen. Assume that you are a thief, right? If you are a thief, what about your friends? If you are a thief, what about your friends? They can't be a collector or police officer or minister, right? If you are a thief, then your friends will also be a thief only, right? Okay. Yes. And you are the intelligent thief among your friends, right? You are the intelligent thief among your friends. Clear? Right? Posting. Okay, listen, guys. So you are the intelligent thief among your friends. Okay. So one day while chit chatting with your friends, okay, they are challenging you. So what they are telling is there is only a highly secured room or bank. Assume that one highly secured room or bank. Okay. So they are challenging you. We try to we try to crack the we try to enter into that room, but we cannot able to make. Okay, we know you are the intelligent one among us, but sure we challenge you. You cannot able to enter in that room. Okay, they are challenging you. Okay, so you got curious. Now you are planning to enter into that bank or room. Okay, very next day you are going near to that room or bank. Okay, you are you are watching. So what is happening there? Okay, so there is a robot in front of the door. Okay, in that bank door or room. Okay, assume that bank or room. Okay, so there is a robot is standing in front of the room. Okay, so now you are watching that one person is coming, right? The robot stops the person and it says something to the person, and the person is replying for that robot. Then the robot allows him inside to the room or back. Okay, again the same another person is coming. The robot is saying something to that person, and he is replying. The person is replying for that. Okay, now the robot is not allowing that person inside to the bank because his reply is, the person's reply is wrong. Okay, now you came to know robot is asking some question. If you are saying the correct answer, then it allows you inside to the bank. Okay, if it is wrong, it won't allow you inside, right? So now you are, you are near to the robot. Now you are standing near to the robot. Okay, now you are, listening to the robot. Okay, one person is coming. The robot says, and the robot stops the person and says 12. Says 12, and the person is replying 6. The robot allows the person inside to the bank. Okay. And the next person is coming. The robot stops the person and the robot says 6, and the person is saying 3. Right? The robot allows them inside to the bank. Okay. Now you are trying. You are standing in front of the robot. Okay. The robot stops you. Okay. The robot stops you and the robot says 3. Now you are saying one answer. Okay. The robot allows you inside to the bank. Right? That means you have cracked the logic and you got the correct logic and answer. That's why robot allows you inside to the bank. Okay. So now you tell me, so what is the logic and answer for this question? Hey, 1.5, right? So 12, 6, 6, 3. So now question for you is 3. So 1.5 is the answer. Okay, right. Either is 1 by, yes, of 1 by 2 of 3, right? Half of what robot says. Okay. Half of what robot says, right? Okay, right. 1.5. So to get the answer 1.5, I don't dictate question for up to 3 minutes. Correct? Right? நான் ஒரு 1.5 ஒரு ஆன்சருக்கு 3 நிமிஷமா சொல்றேன்ல, என்ன பார்த்தா எப்படி தெரியுது உங்களுக்கு, ரைட்? So try to find the other logic. Yes, wasted. நான் wasted இல்லை, நீங்க தான் wasted, right? Okay. போலாமா, தீ மியூசிக் போலாமா, தில்லு வாலே புச்சிடி நேச்சான்ட்டு. Not divided by 2. Yes. கமெண்ட் ரிப்ளை கொடுக்கறத மட்டும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்துடுறாங்கப்பா. கவுண்ட் ஆஃப் இட். கரண், கவி and yes, Santosh. Yes, very good. Karan, Kavi, Santosh. Karan, Kavi and Santosh. Kavi? Yes, Kavi and Karan and Santosh. You got the correct logic, right? And answer, right? Very good, guys. So, answer is இஷ்டத்துக்கு சொல்றது number of characters. So, not number of characters. Right? I will tell you the answer. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Now you tell me the logic. Answer is 5. Clock base. No clock base. Well, listen, this puzzle is based on this topic. This puzzle is based on this topic. Okay? Prime number? Prime number? Yes, very good. Now, Aishwarya. Yes. Okay. Logic, நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க சார். Hema. Yes, Hema. Right. கமெண்ட் மட்டும்தான். லாஜிக் நீங்களே சொல்றீங்க, ஆன்சர் நீங்களே சொல்றீங்க. யார் சாமி நீ? உன்னை பார்க்கணும் போல இருக்கே. Right. Okay, listen here. So answer is 5. Logic is number of letters. Number of letters present in the given word. Okay. So what is the first one? 12. Okay. So 12, answer is 6. Okay. That is not divided by 2. How many letters present in the word 12? T, W, E, L, V, E. So 6 letters are there. So answer is 6. Now next the robot says 6, right? Answer is 3. That is S-I-X. Okay. So answer is 6. Okay. S-I-X. 6 is the 3 letters. Now his question is 3, right? So you need to find the letters. How many letters? You need to count the number of letters, right? T-H-R-E-E. So totally 5 letters. So answer is 5. Okay. Logic is count number of letters present in that word. Okay. Right? Yeah. Yes, Aishwarya. So your answer is correct. Right. Yes. Okay. Guys. Yes. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Others can go for the break. Okay. Come back at 11, sharp 11. Okay. So come back at sharp 11. So if you have doubt, raise your hands. Others can go for a break. Right. ஓஹோ, ஏமந்தே பார்த்துக்கிறேன் உன்னை. ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்து தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருப்பியா? If you are given the options, we put. Right. Please raise your hand if you have any doubt. Yes. Yes, Ash. Hand raise பண்ணுங்க மட்டும் பாருங்க. So kindly explain 48, 33. Hey, Hemant, not a problem, just I am also not taken seriously. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, Aish. Yeah, who is that? Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so for the 43rd one, like we are taking the factors and we are splitting it two, right?
Ah,
And we are comparing. Is there any other method, like, to find it out?
so
Because,
not
like,
yes, not going with factors, right? You're asking me how to
yeah,
solve without using factors, right?
yes,
Yes. Yeah, without there is no another method. Actually, we are going to solve based on the option only. Okay. Factors is just we need to confirm the answers, right? We have factors to
okay,
confirm the answers. Okay. Ah, yeah. So we have factors. Yes, we have factors to confirm the pattern. That's it. Okay. But we have only option. There is no other method because this is based on series completion. So we don't have any other method actually.
okay, sir, thank you.
Right. Hmm. Okay. வேற யாராவது ஒரே இதுதானா வேற கேட்டிருக்காங்களே 33 question explain once again. Shiva 33. Shivasankar, wait a minute. 33. Shivasankar, please raise your hand. Kindly explain 48. Meera. Shivasankar. Shivasankar?
Sir,
Yeah. So what's your doubt actually?
sir, can
What
you
is your
hear me?
sorry?
Sir, the China coding, sir.
Chinese coding.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. So what's your doubt actually? Any doubt?
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, Na for water, sir.
Yes.
Na is repeating, so we are considered as water.
Yes.
Then JO is life, sir. And the TOD, sir, that last one.
TOD is left out, right? We know the code for Na is water, Joe is life. TOD is left out. Okay. So here left out one is. So definitely is for TOD.
Okay.
Purida?
Okay, sir. Okay. Then third sentence also left out things are there.
What TOD?
Third option. No, sir. Third one also TUBOD pit. That words also left on only, sir.
Yeah. TUBOD is difference. We have only TOD, right? TUB is different and OD is different. Here we have TOD, but here we have only OD. Okay. So don't confuse with this, right? So TOD and OD is different. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
These two are different words, right? These two are different. Okay. This is different. This is different one.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. 43rd problem. 47 also. We need to know we can multiply by 1001 to get the value. Yes, Aishwarya. So for 47th question, it is an identity, right? Identity means 1001 is identity. So any three letters or numbers multiply with 1001, we will get the same letter repeated twice, right? Okay. For example, 986 into 10101 means 986 will be the result. Okay. So 1001 is our identity. So Meera, are you there? Yes. Yeah, it is 48th question. Yes, 48th question is based on the We have seen one question, right? STU. So 48th question is based on this only, right? For example, listen here, like this question only, right? அப்பா சிலோட்ல இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு பாரு, செம்மையா இருக்கு, ஒரு போட்டோ எடுத்துக்கலாம் போலயே. ஏசி ஸோ வந்துச்சுப்பா, ACPQ BESU, right? So it's nothing but BESU, right? MNGI, MNGI. Okay, listen, it is like same coding and decoding. What is the code? This is the next letter. Next letter of A is B. Okay. C, compare C and E. C, D, E. So they skip the one letter. Okay. So E is the next two letters from C, right? E is the next two letters from C. Likewise, you can now easily compare +1, +2, then P, Q, R, S. Okay. So S is the third letter from the P. Okay. So +3. Now you can clearly get the code +4. Okay. I mean the letter moves next position, moves 2 position, moves 3 position, moves 4 position from the place. Okay, right? Now we need to write like that. So M +1, N +2, and G +3, and I +4. So M next letter is N. N O P, right? And G, right? So +3. G H I J. So J N P J. Then I, 4 letters, right? J K L M. So N P J M is the answer for 48th one. So option D. Is that clear, Mira? Yes, okay. Okay. Yes, Aishwarya, can you hear me? Yes, for 44th question, yes, system, we don't go for given word actually. I mean, finding word, okay. So, but system is made up of only 6 words, right? Right? System is made of six. Okay. I mean, SY, S, okay, TEM, okay, right. Oh, you are asking me like that, okay. F or AC, CA or F, NOIT, right? Yes, you can split it like 4 4, right? CA or F, NOIT is the answer. Option D. CA or F, NOIT is the answer for 44th. Yes. For 6-letter word, they have taken 3 3, SYS and TEM. Okay. Signal. Right? Listen, Aishwarya, SYS TEM system, right? So they have reversed these letters. Okay, they have reversed. I mean, they have written in the reverse order. SYS MET in the reverse order. Like that, you need to write. Okay, F or AC. You need to write the given letter in the reverse order. So CA or F, and again NOIT. Okay, you should split like 4 4, and you should write in the reverse order. Okay, clear? You should write the reverse order. No, we don't have to interchange, right? You don't have to interchange. Just write the letter in the reverse order. That's it. Okay. Clear? So our next topic is set theory, right? So listen, guys. Our next topic is set theory. Yes. Enable your video, guys. At least someone enable your videos. Enable your videos. இருக்காங்களா இல்லையா 54 participants. Thank you. Yes, Meera. Okay, you can. Yes, Meera, you can ask me your doubt. Okay. Okay. Later. Now we'll go with this topic. Okay, and I will clear your doubt. Okay. Some problems in Zoom, so give me 5 to 10 minutes. No issues, Charan. Okay. Okay. Right. So set theory. Uh, we already know comparatively in CSAT examination we have two part. One is quants part, quantitative aptitude, and another one is logical reasoning. Okay, so reasoning part will be very easy to solve the question. Reasoning part will be very easy to solve the question, and set theory is one of the easiest among easiest actually. Okay, set theory is the one of the easiest topic in a reasoning part. Reasoning is always easy. Okay, in that set theory is very easiest topic in reasoning part. Okay, right? So set theory has three types. One. So set theory has three types of question. In set theory can be asked in three types of question. One is sentence based. Thanks, Ka. Sentence based. Second one is diagram based questions. Diagram based questions. third one is connecting of figures. Connecting of figures, not correcting of figures. Okay, connecting of figures. Okay, so listen here. So sentence based, diagram based, connecting of figures. Okay, so these are the three types of question can be asked in set theory. Right. So and another important thing is, okay, before this you need to write. Okay, right. Okay. So you need to write one formula. So that is nothing but A union B is equal to A plus B minus A intersection B. Clear? So A union B, I think we have studied this in 10th standard, right? So A union B is equal to A plus B minus A intersection B. Okay. So listen guys. Now listen here. I'm going to write, okay, A here. So the whole, I mean, red line and dot is there, right? The whole red is, it is A, right? Now B. Is that visible? Right? The whole blue dot is B, right? This is B and this is A, right? So, and this part, right? This part is, this is, this whole part is A intersection B. We know, right? So the whole part is A and this whole part is B, okay, and the intersection point, this is A intersection B, right? And this part, right? This is only A and this is only B. Clear? So this is completely A only and this is completely B only. Okay. And the whole red dot is A and this is whole red dot is B and this is A intersection B, only A, only B. Okay. Right? Clear? This one. And again, one more formula, right? One more formula. Nothing but A union B union C is equal to A union A plus B plus C, okay, minus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C. Clear? Right? So this is for a three circle diagram. For example, this one. A B and C. This is for, right? So this is completely A and this is B and this is C, right? So listen guys, this is A intersection B intersection C, right? This part is A intersection B intersection C, right? And this part, right? Listen guys, this all these parts are A intersection B. Okay, that means this is, I mean this total part. Listen, this complete part is A intersection B. Clear? This complete part is A intersection B. And this part, this is B intersection C. This complete part is A intersection C. Clear? And this is only A and this is only B and this is only C. Okay. So listen guys, we are going to solve set theory question based on Venn diagram only, right? Based on Venn diagram method only, right? we will use Venn diagram in two topics in reasoning. One is set theory and another one is syllogism, right? So we will use this Venn diagram for two topics. One is set theory and another one is syllogism, right? Okay. So I think this information is enough. And one more thing is, okay, A union B is equal to number of participants actually. A union B is nothing but number of participants, right? Number of participants. A union B is equal to number of participants. For example, if total students is 100, total is 100. If total is 100, okay, 100 students participate, okay, 100 students participates in the competition. Okay, listen guys, if total students is 100, if 100 participates in the competition, means A union B is equal to 100. So all the students are participate in the competition. Okay, this is example number 1. Example 2 is, right, if total is 50, total is 150, right, total is 150, right, 20 students do not participate in the competition. 20 students do not participate. 20 do not participate. Okay, in the competition. Then our A union B is equal to 150 minus 20 is equal to 120. Right? Clear? Right? So this is the A union B is number of participants. Okay? Right? This is sometimes A union B is equal to total value. Listen here. A union B is equal to total, okay, if all participates. If all participates, right? Clear? Right? Okay, clear? So to find total value, sometimes if all participates, total is equal to A union B. Okay. If neither participates, okay, if some do not participate is there, total is equal to A union B plus neither. Okay. A union B plus neither actually. Okay. So this is the things we need to know to solve the set theory question. Okay. Clear? So this is the things we need to know while solving the set theory question. Now it will be very easy. So copy it. Clear? Yes. Now take the page number. Yes, page number 91. Take the page number 91. Take the page number 91. Sir, Kavi, neither or nor. Yes, we need to subtract for A union B. Okay. So to find A union B, we need to subtract from total value. Okay. To find total value, A union B plus N. For example, right, listen here. For example, in previous question, how many total value? 150. We don't know A union B, right? We don't know A union B is question mark, right? How many do not participate? 20. So to find A union B, 150 minus 20 is equal to 130. Is that clear? So this is what I told in previous question. So total is 150, 20 do not participate. So A union B is equal to 130. So this is I applied in this question. Total is 150. We don't know about A union B. So neither do not participate is 20. So 150 minus 20. Okay, clear? Right? So now take the page number 91. So take the page number 91. Directions 5 to 10. Directions 5 to 10. And these are the questions based on connecting of figures. Right? These are the questions based on connecting of figures. Okay. Directions 5 to 10. Okay. Because it will be very easy to solve. So we will solve this. Okay. So listen guys. Always see the option A. Option A this is like this. Okay. If we don't have any connection for the words, right? If we don't have any connection for the words, then we can write like this. For example, pen, pencil, eraser. This is the example for this. These three don't have connection with this guy, with one among them. These three don't have connection with one among them, right? So pen, pencil, eraser, these are the example for this. Okay. Next one is B. B is, right? This comes under a family. Okay, one family. This comes under one family, right? And C is nothing but like this. This is, for example, we can give you example for this. Okay. Yes. Right. Carrot, brinjal, right? Vegetables. Carrot, brinjal, they both don't have connection. Okay, but they both comes under vegetable, right? So this is vegetable, right? This is carrot and this is brinjal. In this case, we can draw like this. Okay, right? Then D, option D is nothing but all are interconnected. Okay, so listen guys, I have written here the option A, B and C, D. Now we are going to solve the question, right? So what is the first question? Listen guys, first question, country, state, sorry, city, state. Okay. Now tell me the answer. Which option suits? Option D, option B, option C. Okay, right. Yes, very good. Siddharth and Kanaga, yes, option B is the answer. No Hema, option C is the not answer. Okay, listen here. So just compare these three words. Okay. So country, city, state. Actually, city is, these all comes under one family, right? City is under state, right? For example, if this is city, right? If this is city, actually city is comes under state only, right? City is comes under state, right? And one state is comes under country. One state is comes under country. Clear? For example, assume India, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. For example, assume India, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, right? So city, Chennai. Chennai is the city, right? Tamil Nadu. Chennai is under Tamil Nadu, right? Chennai is under the state of Tamil Nadu, right? Tamil Nadu is under the state of country India, right? Tamil Nadu is under the country of India. That is nothing but, okay? City, state, country, okay? So our option will be like this only. Yes, city is inside the state. Yeah, yes. Listen guys, order is not, we no need to worry about the order, right? We no need to worry about the question order. We should make the correct diagram, connecting of figures, right? So don't worry about the orders given in the question. In question they are given like that, right? Country, city is like, don't worry about that. Don't worry about the order given in the question. We need to connect the figures. That's it. Clear? So next question. Sixth one. Mother, teacher, dancer. Now tell me the answer for this. And listen, solving this question is like playing connection game, right? Yes, solving this question is playing connection game, right? Very good. So D is Anju, Surya, and correct. Rahul, Aishwarya. Why it is A? Why it is A? C or D? Okay, listen. Mother, dancer, teacher. Okay, I'm going to write mother. This is mother. This is mother. Right? This is mother. A mother can be a teacher, right? For example, if your mother can be a teacher, right? Your mother is a teacher means then, right? Mother, this will be a teacher, right? Teacher, right? If this mother can be dancer also, This mother can be a teacher also. This mother can be a dancer also. Or else teacher can be a dancer too. Dancer can be either mother or teacher, right? Okay. So all are interconnected with one another, right? All are interconnected with one another, right? This mother can be a dancer, or this mother can be a teacher, or this mother can be a teacher and dancer too. So we have all are interconnected. So this is the correct diagram. Exact one is option D. Option D is eighth one. So don't get confused. We need to connect, going to connect, okay, right? If my mother can be a teacher, she can also be a dancer, right? So this is the answer for sixth one. Now tell me the answer for seventh one. Bus. Very good. Bus, train, aeroplane. Bus, train, aeroplane. So tell me the options. Bus, train, aeroplane. Tell me for seventh one. மீரா என்கிட்டயே கேட்கக்கூடாது. ஆப்ஷன் ஏனா ஏன்னு சொல்லணும், பீனா பீன்னு சொல்லணும், கொஸ்டின் மார்க் போடக்கூடாது. ஓகே, ரைட். செவன்த் ஒன் எல்லாரும் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ. ரைட், வெரி குட். ஆப்ஷன் ஏ. வர்ஷினி, what happened to you? Answer is not option D. Yes, very good guys. Option A is the answer. Yes, bus. There is no connection between bus and train. There is no connection between bus, train, aeroplane. Clear? Clear? So if I am giving transport here, hey, this is all about the question, and now I am going to convey one another information. So add, take this is another question. Bus, train, aeroplane, transport. Now how will you connect figures? Yeah, yes, Varshini, yes. I'm telling for you doubt right now, right? Option, yes, very good guys. Option C, okay. Bus, train, aeroplane, it's all different, okay, but it is these all three used for transportation, right? This is bus, this is train, and this is aeroplane. These all three used for transportation, right? If transport comes, our option will be like this. If transport is not there, bus, train, aeroplane, okay? There is no connection between. Very good guys. Pakka, super, right? Very good. So now go for eighth one. Eighth question. So tell me the answer for eighth one. Eighth one. Woman, mother, human. Woman, mother, human. For eighth one. No answers. Confusing low. For eighth one. What happened? Right? Listen now. Woman, mother, human, right? Now I am going to take mother. Mother. Don't take woman first, okay? Because all women cannot be a mother, but all mothers definitely a woman, right? All women cannot be a mothers, but all mothers definitely a woman, okay? So definitely all mothers, definitely woman, right? Woman. Woman is comes under human, right? Woman is comes under human. So option A, option C is no. This option B is the answer. Okay. Right? All mothers can be a woman. All women cannot be a mother. Okay, right? All mothers women. All women comes under human. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. Any doubt? Mother, woman, and human. So option B is the answer for eighth one. Okay. For eighth one, option B. Now can you tell me the answer for ninth one? It's very easy. I think already we have seen example like this: dancer, author, doctor. For ninth one, என்ன reply? Oh, நான் தான் பார்க்கலையா? Sorry. Yes, very good. Okay. Very good, guys. For ninth one, answer is D, right? So a dancer can be an author, can also be a doctor. A doctor, dancer. A doctor can also be a dancer and author too. So option D is the answer for this one. Okay. And tenth one, apple, grapes, fruit. Right? Very good. This is apple. This is grape. Apple, grape. There is no connection between them, but they both are comes under fruit. Yes, they both are comes under fruit. Okay, clear? Yes, clear. Very good. Tenth one is C. Very good. Sir, no. What happened, Aishwarya? Write out. Okay, try to solve the 12th one also. 12th question. Hey, 12th one, no need to solve. I have given example for that, right? Carrot, food and vegetable. Okay, try to solve. Carrot, food and vegetable. For 12th one. Carrot, food and vegetable. For 12th one. Carrot, food and vegetable. So carrot comes under vegetable. Vegetable comes under food. Clear? Carrot, food and vegetable. Right? Yes, very good. 12th one A. Now you have another question. 13th one, 1-3. Yes, try to solve the 1-3. 13th one. So Aishwarya, what happened? Confused. Totally confused. So what's your doubt? Tell me clearly, Aishwarya. What's your doubt? Tell me clearly. Yes, 12th one is answer is A. Can't mute. No one is there. Wait. தல ஒருத்தர் அன்மியூட் பண்ணி விடுங்களா ஐஸ்வர்யா. கோஸ்ட் எல்லாம் அன்மியூட் பண்ண முடியுமா? அப்படியா? ஐஸ்வர்யா ஹேண்ட் ரைஸே பண்ணலையா?
Yes,
ஐஸ்வர்யா
sir. Yeah, am I audible?
எஸ் ஐஸ்வர்யா.
So if you see the sixth one, mother, dancer, teacher, like those are also can be considered as A, right? You said pen, pencil, eraser. We can consider that as like interconnection also under stationery, no?
I can understand your doubt. Okay, so listen here. All mothers cannot be a dancer, right? So in sixth one, what is the relationship between we're asking for sixth one and 12th one, right? Sorry, not 12th one. Just a minute.
Even
yeah, we're asking doubt for sixth one and the eighth one, right? Okay. Yes, sir. Very simple. Sixth one, all mother cannot be a dancers. Some mothers can be a dancer, right? And all mother cannot be a teacher, right? Not all. We cannot say all mother cannot be a teacher. Okay. This circle represents all. All mother cannot be a teacher. So I took some mothers can be a teacher, and some mother can be a dancer also. Sorry. Yes, some mother can be a dancer also. Some mother can be a teacher also. Right? Clear? But if we take woman mother, definitely this is mother. All mothers can be a woman only. Right? Not men's. Men cannot be a mother. Right? So all mothers can be woman only. Right? but the woman comes under human only, right? We cannot tell some women are humans, okay? So women comes under human. All women are human only, right? Clear?
Okay, and then if you see the ninth one, it is dancer, doctor, author. All the three are different professions, right? So how that will also be interconnected?
For example, uh, doctor, we can see some doctors can be a dancers, right? They can participate in dance practice, dance competitions. Whom we say, yes, for example, take it like this, okay? A director can act in the movie. He's a director. Also, he can be an actor, right? Sometimes he will be the lyricist or music director. Okay. For example, I can't tell you the doctor for dancer. Okay, listen here. So he's a dancer. All are three professional, but one person can be all in this. Okay. A doctor can also have interest in dancing, so he can learn dance and be a dancer. Okay. And he can write some books also. Okay. So he can be an author for some medical books also, right? So a doctor can also be a dancer, he can also write some books also, so author. Okay, your same person can be in all, so I took like this. We cannot say all doctors can be a dancer. Some doctors can be a dancer, okay, and some dancers will be a author also. Clear?
Oh,
Like STR,
oh,
I think Aishwarya doesn't
okay,
know about STR. Okay, so like yes, there are
okay,
many persons are there, right? Multi-talented persons. Okay, so they will come under in this category. Clear?
okay.
Still, if you have doubt, you can message me. No issues. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 13th one. So what is the answer for 13th one? 13th one, A. Yes, very good, guys. 13th one, A is the correct answer. Where level ponga. Right, very good. 13th one is A. Yes, Vashini. So your doubt is, sir, how many questions or what is the possible of Venn diagrams and questions related to it appearing in the exam? Okay. So listen, you can get always based on the topic, you will get minimum 2 questions from each topic, right? In reasoning part, you will get minimum 2 questions, maximum 3 or 4 sometimes. Okay, but you will get minimum 2 questions from each topic. We can expect minimum 2 questions from each and every topic, right? So minimum 2 questions. Maximum it can vary. Sometimes they will ask 3 questions, 4 questions. In seating arrangement itself, they can ask 8 questions also. Sometimes, okay, not all the times, very rare. But you can expect minimum 2 questions from each and every topic. Clear, right? Yes, 13th one. For 13th one, listen here. Most guitarists are beard males. We need to satisfy this condition. A means all males. Okay. So listen, guys. A means all males. B represent beard males. So this is A. This is all males. In that males, some males are beard males. So right, this is completely males. These are completely male. In that, some males are beard males. So I took beard males. This is beard males, right? Beard males, right? So next one, C represents all male guitarists. Okay, so these are male. Some will be male guitarist. Okay, so male guitarist will come here, male guitarist. But we need to satisfy most guitarists are male. Okay, this is male guitarist. This is male guitarist. In this, most some. Okay, more same only. Most are some. Okay, right. So most guitarists are beard males. Okay, this is male guitarist, this is male beard males. Okay, so listen, guys, these are guitarists who have beards. Okay, so this is the possible diagram for 13th one. Okay, very good. 13th one is A, right? Clear? Yes. Okay, so now we will move with sentence based question. Okay, now we will move with sentence based question, right? So before that, yes, we will move it. Okay. So take practice question. Take the practice question, page number 97. Page number 97. Page number 97. Page number 97. U R Q P S T, right? Married, joint family, school teachers. Guys, you are very lucky if you get question like this. Okay, you can answer 3 questions within 10 seconds. Okay, listen here. By which letter the married teachers who live in a joint family are represented? Okay, married teachers who live in joint family. So the rectangular, the square box represent married people, circle box represent joint family, and the triangle represents school teachers. What's our question? Married teachers who live in joint family. I mean connection of all these three. Married teachers who live in joint family. Okay. So where it is connection of all the three? So triangle, square and circle should be there. So Q is the only place we have triangle. Yes, Q is the only place we have triangle, circle and square is there, right? So Q is the answer for 21st question. Clear? Married teachers who live in joint family. So connection of all three, right? So see the 22nd one, 22nd question. By which letter the married people who live in joint family? They're asking for married people who live in joint family but not school teachers. That means only square and circle. Only square and circle. Listen, where is square actually? This is square and this is circle. We don't take for Q, R and all. The only possible for us, yes only, right? So answer is yes. Because married people is this box, right? And who live in joint family is yes, okay, right? So this is the answer, 22nd one. 23rd, by which letter the people who live in joint family but are neither married nor teachers are represented. Okay, neither married nor teachers. We should take only the people who live in joint family. Okay, listen. We have circle. In circle, we have 3 letters. T, S and Q. Right. So Q, connection of all 3. S is for married people who live in joint family. The joint family, only joint family is represented in T only. So answer is T. Clear? Answer is T. Is that clear? We need to compare like this, right? Okay. So only T, I mean only school, I mean only joint family is T, and only married people is P, and only school teacher is U, right? So we need to compare like this. Is that clear now? Shall we move to the next question? Guys, shall we move to the next question? Yes or no? Okay, thank you guys. All right. So take on the first question. First question. Right? Take on the first question. Right. In a class, let's go. In a class, 7 students play basketball and 8 play cricket. 3 students play on both basketball and cricket. Okay. So now we need to know some more information also. Before that, write the diagram. Okay. So 7 students play basketball, right? 7 students play basketball, right? So this is basketball, okay, and this is cricket. Okay, is it clear now? 7 students play basketball, 8 students play cricket, 3 students play both. Okay, listen now. 3 students play both. This is A intersection B, and we know only for A. So how many students? This is red is basketball, right? We know red is basketball. So basketball is 7, cricket is 8. Clear? Guys, they have given the total value. Don't write 7 here and 8 here. This is for all the red. This is the whole red for basketball is 7. Okay. This is for 8. But we know intersection B is 3. Okay. Now we can take. Okay. The complete red is basketball. Okay. We know So 3 people play both basketball. Here we 3. How many people left out here? 4. Clear? The person who plays basketball, total number of person is 7. We know already here we have 3 students plays basketball. So remaining person is 4, right? Likewise here also. So how many persons plays cricket? 8. Already we know we have 3 people plays cricket. So remaining is 5. Clear? So this is the diagram. So once we got the inner values, forget about the outer value. Clear? Is it clear now? Right? Once we got inner value, we should forget about the outer value. Clear? So now tell me the answer for first one. Right? How many students are there in the class if all students participate? Okay. If all students participate, how many students are there? Okay. So how many students are participating? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is the answer. Clear? Not 15. Not 15. Guys, they have initially given 7 play basketball, 8 play cricket. Okay. In that 3 play both basketball and cricket. We don't know how many persons are there. According to this, we can say if all students participate, answer is 12. So now next second question. How many students play only basketball? We know this region is only basketball, right? This red region is only basketball, right? And this blue region is only cricket, right? This is only cricket. Okay. So now we know how many students play only basketball. Only basketball is 4 and only cricket is 5, right? Only cricket is 5. How many students play either basketball or cricket? Okay. And listen guys, one more information. Either, right? Either or. Either A or B or both, right? Either A or B or both. Okay. Next one is at least one. At least one. This all three refers to A union B. Clear? This all three refers to A union B. Actually, what is A union B here? What is A union B? We know A union B is equal to A plus B minus A intersection B, right? So what is A? 7 plus what is B? 8. What is A intersection B? 3. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 minus 3 is 12. Clear? This is our first formula while starting the topic of set theory, right? A union B is equal to A plus B minus A intersection B. So A is 7, B is 8, okay, and A intersection B is 3 minus 3. So 12. A union B is equal to 12. These three words, if whether they have given either A or B or both, at least one. These all three words refers to A union B. Okay. Now tell me the answer. Fourth one, either means all, right? All these three, right? So no 12. And how many students? Yes, basketball, A or B or both. This is also same. Answer is 12. Sixth one, right? At least one game. I already told you at least one also 12. At least one means A union B, right? So now listen. Tell me what is at least actually? If at least one means what? At least, at most. This is very important to solve this question, right? At least, at most. Okay. What is at least and at most? At least and at most. One or more. Minimum and maximum. Very good, Siddharth. One or more. Minimum one game at least, right? At least minimum is possible. At least minimum. Yes, very good. Okay. Right? So at least means minimum. Okay. For example, if I'm saying at least one means minimum one should be there, right? If I'm saying at least one means minimum one should be there, maximum two, right? At least means minimum one should be there plus two. If, for example, if total uh, 5 shirts, I think one example, right? If I'm saying 5 shirts are there, I'm saying that you should take at least one shirt. At least one shirt means you should take, definitely you should take minimum one shirt, okay? Minimum one shirt, maximum up to 5, right? If I'm saying total shirts is 5 shirts means 5 shirts are there, I'm saying you should take at least one shirt means you can take minimum 1 or maximum up to 5. That refers at least. If the total value is given, at least 5 means in total value is 5, at least means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If it is at least 2, if it is at least 2, again total value is 5 means 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? If it is at least 3, minimum should be 3, 3, 4, 5. Clear? At least 4. Minimum should be 4, maximum should be 5. Is that clear now? Clear? Yeah. Kavi, I'm not getting you. At last, could you please explain fourth point? Huh? Oh, either. Either A or B means, listen here, either A or B means either A should be there or B should be there. Okay, listen, this is also A, here also A should be there, here also B should be there, here also B there, right? So that is what they are asking, either A or B. Okay, if totally either are playing basketball, so either playing basketball is 4, definitely play basketball only, and 3 play basketball as also cricket. Here 5 play cricket, okay, cricket only, and 3 play cricket. Okay, if I am taking cricket means 5 plus 3 is 8, right? If I take basketball means 4 plus 3 is 7, but they are asking either basketball or cricket, so we should take 2, right? 4 plus 5 is 9. They are playing only basketball or cricket. Both, they are playing both is 3, right? So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. So either means A union B, right? Clear? Either or means either they should play basketball or cricket. That means we can add all the values. So A union B is what? Either. Is that clear now? Clear? So either means both actually, completely both. Okay, clear? Okay, so this is at least. At most means, okay, for example, 5 are there. 5 are there. It's the same. At most 1. At most 1. If that means maximum should be 1, right? Maximum should be 1. Then 0 and 1. Listen guys, the difference between at least and at most is, this is minimum should be 1. At least 1 means minimum should be 1. At most 1 means maximum should be 1. 0 can come here. For at most, 0 is also possible. 0 means neither value. 0 means neither value. Clear? Here 0 means neither value. Okay. For example, if 3 students do not participate, means we should add that 3 persons in at most 1. Okay. So they are also not participant. We should come here at most 1. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. At most 2 means at most 2. Maximum should be 2. Minimum should be 1 and 0. Clear? At most 3. Maximum should be 3. Okay. Maximum should be 3. Minimum 2. Right? Clear? Maximum should be 3. Minimum 2, 1, 0. Right? So this is what at most and at least. Okay. So sorry. Right? So now tell me the answer for 8th one and 9th one. Now tell me the answer for 8th one and 9th one. Sorry, 7th, 8th and 9th one. Okay. At least 2 games. At least means minimum should be 2. So how many people playing at least 2 games? So 3 people, right? They are playing both basketball and cricket. So answer is 3 for 7th one. 8th one, how many students play at most 1 game? At most 1 game means 0, neither plus 1, right? But here we don't know neither value, right? Here we don't have neither value. So we can take at most 1 means 1 game. So 4 plus 5, minimum 1 game, right? Sorry, maximum 1 game. So 1 game means 4 plus 5 is 9. This is 2. So we don't take that. This is maximum only. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, 8th one is 9. 9th one is at most 2. At most 2. That means minimum neither 1 and 2. So 4 plus 5 plus 3. So 12 is the answer. Is that clear, ma? Everyone clear? Yes. The difference between at least and at most is this thing, right? If you know this, then it will be very easy to solve the question, right? So listen, guys, to tell you the concept I took this time, right? If yes, to tell the concept I took this time, right? Otherwise, you are going to draw the diagram and you are going to know which one is only and you are going to just add the value and take the answer. Definitely, you will take only 40 or 40 seconds or 1 minute to solve the 3 questions. Okay, if we are giving like this, definitely they will ask 3, sometimes 1. Okay, 1, 2, right, like that. Okay, we will see the examples like that. Okay, now take down the next question. Now you are going to tell me the answer for. Sir, can you please ninth one again? Ninth answer explanation again. Okay. Guys, yes, ninth one is nothing but, what is ninth one? At most 2. I already told you, at most 2 means, what is at most 2? Neither 1 and 2. Here we don't have neither, but we know how many people playing only one game? 4 plus 5. Right? At least one game வந்துட்டு 4 plus 5, at least one game. So how many people playing both games? 3. So 12. Clear? At most 2 means neither, at least 2, neither only 1 plus neither only 1 plus 2, only 2. Clear? Clear? Yes. So now it is clear, Anju, at most 2, neither only 1, only 2. So to write it clearly, at most 2 means neither only 1 plus only 2. Okay. So according to the diagram, we don't have neither. Only one game, playing only one game is 4 plus 5. Playing only 2 games. Only 2 games means both games. Okay. So plus 3. So 4 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is equal to 12. Is it clear now? So that is what at most 2. Right? Yes. Okay. Now tell me the answer for 12th one. Yes, very good. You no need to draw the diagram for 12th one. You no need to draw the diagram for 12th. Okay. You no need to draw the diagram for 12th one. Just listen the question. Listen to the question. In a class, there are 30 students. Okay. Total students is 30, right? Total is 30. Total students is 30, right? A, 7. Basketball. A is 7 and B, cricket. Cricket is 8. Okay. So this is the question. 3 students play. A intersection B. A intersection B is 3. Okay. So now what is the question? How many students did not play anything? How many students did not play anything? So what is the total formula? Total is equal to A union B. What is A union B actually? Total formula is, this is the total formula, right? A union B plus neither. Okay, listen here. I have cleared. I have given. Total is equal to A union B plus N if neither or do not participate. If all participates, total is equal to A union B. This is previous question. All is equal to total, so A union B is total. Okay, here total is equal to A union B plus neither is our formula, right? Yes, we know what is the A union B actually. A union B means A plus B minus A intersection B plus N. So now apply all the values. 37 plus 8 minus 3 plus N. We know A value, B value, A intersection B value plus neither. Okay. So add these things. 15 minus 3 plus n. So n is equal to 30 plus 3 minus 15 is nothing but 33 minus 15 is equal to 18. Answer is 18. Yes, very good, guys. Very good. 18 not playing anything, right? Okay. So now, before solving the third question, so try to solve the fourth one. We'll solve the fourth question. Fourth one, right? Fourth one. 70 students are required to paint a picture. So how many students? Total 70 students are required to paint a picture. 52 use green color. Okay, in that green use 52. Okay, so we don't know for red, and some children use red. 38 students, 38 students use both colors. 38, right? How many students use red color, right? How many students use red color? So this is the question, right? How many students use red color? Tell me the answer for this question. Just tell me the answer. What is the answer here? Yes, very good, guys. 56 is the answer for this question, right? 56 is the answer for this question, right? Okay, because you are directly going to apply in the answer. Okay. So what is the total value? We know total is equal to, right, A plus B minus A intersection B. So when it applies, total is equal to A union B, because neither is not given, so we do not go with neither. Okay, so this is the formula, right? Now we know 70, right? A is 52, we don't know about the B, and 38, right? We have 38 now. So B is equal to 70 plus 38 minus 52, it's nothing but 56. 36 is the, so sorry, 56 is the answer for fourth one. Okay, clear? So now try to solve the 14th one. 14th question. Yes, fourth is 56. Okay. So try to solve the 11th one, 14th one, 11th one, 14th one. Can you show the previous slide? So try to solve the 11th one, 14th one, yes, 15th one. Okay. Yes, guys. Yes. 11th one is answer. Yes. You can see 11th one. Okay. You can see 11th one. The only confusion in this question is always we will take this one is A, but they have given this one is B, and this one is A, and this one is C, right? So A means physics, right? A means physics, right? B means chemistry. B means chemistry. C means mathematics. That's it, right? Max. Okay. So what is the question? The one which represent teachers who can teach physics and maths but not chemistry. Okay, listen guys. They're asking for the one who teach physics and maths. Okay. Actually, this is the line who can teach physics and mathematics. Clear? This is the B intersection C, right? We know already I have given the diagram, okay? So this is the B intersection C, right? This is the teachers who can teach physics and mathematics. But here chemistry also included, right? In this circle, I mean up to this, right? Clear? Up to this, okay? Up to this, chemistry also included, right? Here, physics A, intersection B, intersection C. So here A is also there, okay? But they are asking only physics and maths, okay? So only physics and maths is nothing but this part is only physics and maths, okay? This is considered of, this part is considered of, I mean, this is physics and chemistry, B and C, but A is also included here. This is only B and C, okay? So we need to take only this, okay? So what is the, I mean, which word is mentioned here actually? Which word is mentioned here in the question? U, okay, right? So answer is U. So clear, right? So this is physics and chemistry, right? Physics and mathematics. Here chemistry also included. So we need to take this only. So answer is U. For 11th one, answer is U, right? Isn't it intersection C and not B? Yes. Yes, answer is U. Isn't the intersection C and not a B intersection C? Yeah. Ruby, I can't get you clearly, Ruby. So please ask again. I can't get you clearly, right? Okay. So 14th one. So 14th one is also very easy, right? So 14th one, listen guys. So for this kind of question, don't write numbers here, okay? Read the question and then write the numbers here, okay? So listen here now. So what they are asking, P represents hardworking people, okay? P, hardworking, right? P, hardworking. Q represents intelligent. Q, intelligent, right? And R is truthful. S represents honest. So see the question. So what is the question? Which region represents people who are intelligent? Yes, who are intelligent, truthful, honest, but not hardworking. Okay, listen guys. P is hardworking. Okay, so P is hardworking. They want except P. They want except P. Okay, right? So up to this we cannot take this diagram, complete direct diagram. Okay. Other than this, okay. So Q, we have Q and S and P. So see what is here. That is the answer. Okay. So which number represents there? Yes, 6 is there in this. This part is the answer. Okay. Because they don't want intelligent people, right? So sorry, hardworking people. So completely neglect this. Okay. Completely neglect all this diagram. So remaining part. So they want intelligent, honest, truthful. So this is the only part satisfies all the three. So answer is 6. Answer is 6. Is there any doubt regarding 11th and 14th question? No. Right? So now what is the answer for 15th one? 15th question. What is the answer for 15th question? 1 5. Germany, French, English. How many persons? 170, 85, 105, 175, 78, 180, 200. Okay. So listen, what is the question? The ratio of the number of persons who do not know any of the three languages. Okay. Who do not know any of the three languages. That means N to those who know all the three languages. This is the question. Okay. N means neither. Do not know three languages. Divide by those who know all the three languages. All the three languages means A union B union C. So that for that you need to know, you need to add all the things inside the diagram. Okay, inside the diagram. We know already total number of persons is 1000 persons given in the question. Total is 1000 number of persons. Okay, so we need to all the given numbers inside the circle. Okay, add all the numbers 170 plus 180 plus 200. So it's nothing but 350 plus 200, 550. So 550 plus 105 is nothing but 605. 605 plus 175 is nothing but 780, right? 780 plus 85. 780 plus 85 is 865 plus 78, right? 170, 180, 200, 105, 175, 85 plus 78. Okay. So what's the answer? 15th option D. இல்லையே 15th option D வராதே. No, 15th option D. Okay, add all this, right? Oh, sorry. 170, 350, 200, 550, 550 plus 280, 550 plus 280 is nothing but 830, 830. So 830 plus 150, 830 plus 910, 980. So 993. Okay. So A union B union C is equal to 993. So we know how to find the value. Total is equal to A union B union C plus neither. We know total value. How much this? So N is equal to 1000 minus 993, right? Total is 1000 plus N. So N is equal to 7. So N is equal to 7 is the answer. Okay. N is equal to 7. Okay. Now substitute here. So we know N is equal to 7. A union B union C, right? A union, sorry. To those who know all the three languages. To those who know all the three languages. 1 is to 25. Yes. To those who know all the three languages, right? So all the three languages means, sorry, this is A, not A union B union C. This is all the three languages, A intersection B intersection C. Sorry. Guys, listen here. This is A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So 7 by, this is A intersection B intersection C, 7 by 175 is the answer. We can cancel it. 1 by 25 is the answer. Clear? Yeah. So not A union B union C, A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So this is 175 and we know N is 7. So 7 by 175. So answer is option B, 1 by 25. Is there any doubt in this? Is there any doubt? No, sir. Right. Very good. So now we will go with third question. We'll go with third one. Third one. We'll go with third one. Right? So read, a college has 63 students. Yes, Siddharth, your answer is right for 16th question. Yes, option B. Yes, correct. In a class, a college has 63 students studying political science, chemistry and botany. Okay. How many students totally? Total students is 63 students studying political science, chemistry and botany. 30, 33 students studying political science. Okay. So listen here. 1, 2, 3. Right. So political science. How many students political science? 33. And 25 chemistry. So chemistry 25, botany 26. And guys, you can take whatever the subjects in your own. You can take political science here also. That is not a problem. Okay. So political science 33, chemistry 25, botany 26. Right. So now 10 study political science and chemistry. Okay. 10 study political science and chemistry. Guys, listen here. This whole circle, this whole circle represents political science and chemistry. Here we have connection with botany also, right? So here we have connection with botany also. Okay. So whenever you are getting like a three circle version, first read how many participants for A intersection B, all the languages. All the subjects. We need to find the number of persons studying all the 3 languages. That is what very important. Okay. See the first, it will be given in the last. So see the last line of the question. 3 students study all 3 subjects. Okay. So A intersection B intersection C is nothing but 3. Right. So this is main thing. Okay. Next one is 9 students study botany and chemistry. 9 students study botany and chemistry. Right. Okay. So next, while 8 students okay. Okay. So listen guys now. So 3 students study all the 3 languages. We know already 3 students are there. This circle, political science and chemistry as 10. Already we have 3 here. 3 students already we have 3 here. So remaining is 7. So listen guys, this is a total 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So here we have 9. Okay. Already we have 3. So 6. Here we have 5. Is that clear? Is that clear? This total value is 10. We have already 3. So 7 is the left out. Remaining is 7. Okay. Likewise, this total value is 9. Already we have 3 here. So remaining person is 6. Like that, remaining person is 5. Is there any doubt regarding this? Is there any doubt regarding this? No, right? Yes, very good. Okay. Now, next. Now, listen here. We know all these 3 values. Only 4 values for a diagram. Okay. Now, we have all the 3 values. Okay. Now, we need to find only political science. This part is only political science. This part is only chemistry. And this part is only botany. Okay. We need to find that. How can we find that? Very simple. Count these values. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. So, we need to find total value is 33. Total value is 33. Here we have 15. So, remaining is 18. That's it. Clear? So, total value is 33. So, only 4 values for a circle. Okay. Total value is 33. Here we have 3 known values. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So, subtract this value from here. 33 minus 15 is 18. Like that, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So, 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14 is equal to 12. Clear? Right. Like that. 10, 16. So, totally 25. So, 9. 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Clear? Is that clear now? Right? Is that clear? Yes. Okay. So, listen guys. Now, we have got all the inner values. I already told you, once we got the inner values, we should forget about the outer values. That's it. Once we got the inner values, okay, we will forget about the outer values. That's it. Main thing is, need to find the inner values. Okay. Once we got all the inner values, just like forget about the outer value. Okay. Now, listen guys. So, be clear. Now, we will write here itself, right? Okay. How many students studying only one subject? How many students studying only one subject? Only one. So, these are the only one. 18, 9, 12, right? 18 plus 9 plus 18, 9 plus 12. So how many totally? Only 1 is 39. Okay. So how many students studying? Only 2. Only 2. Only 2 subjects. These are the students studying only 2. 7 plus 5 plus 6. Right. 7 plus 5 plus 6. So listen here. Only 1 is this part. Only 2 is this part. This is 3 subjects. Right. So only 2 is 7 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. Totally 18. Only 3 is 3 students. We know this is the only 3. Clear? Clear? Right? Now we are going to solve the answers, right? Now I am going to tell you the question. Now you are going to answer. How many students study only political science? How many students study only political science? Here we have. How many students study only political science? 18. How many students study only chemistry? Sorry, political science, chemistry, botany, right? Chemistry 9, botany 12. So this is the only, right? This is the only side. Okay, right. How many students study only chemistry and botany? Guys, listen here. They're asking for only chemistry and botany. So only means this part only, right? This part only means this part only. This part is only chemistry and botany. Clear? This part is only chemistry and botany. Okay. So we know because this is consists of political science. This whole diagram consists of one political science. This is only chemistry and botany. Okay. So how many students studying chemistry and botany? 6 students, right? So 6 is the answer. Okay. 6 is the answer. Right? For fourth one. Right? For fifth one, only political science and chemistry. So 7 is the answer. Only political science and chemistry, right? And sixth one, only political science and botany. Only political science and botany is 5. Clear? Any doubt regarding this? Right? Okay. So next one. How many students did not study any subject? Very good. Okay, right? For seventh one is how many students did not study any subject? Okay. We know already total number of students is 63, right? Now we need to find A union B, right? So A union B is what? All the values inside the circle is what? A union B, right? So A union B is nothing but all the values inside the circle. That means A union B union C. This is the all the values inside the circle. A union B union C. Okay. So write all the values here. Write all the values. I mean, count all the values. A union B union C. Yes. So 18 already we know. 39 plus 18 is nothing but 57. 57 plus 3 is nothing but 60. So A union B union C is nothing but 60 is the answer, right? A union B union C is nothing but 6 is the answer. Clear? 60 is the answer. So total is okay. For seventh one, 3 is the answer. Is there any doubt regarding this? Yes, very good. Seventh one, 3 is the answer. Is there any doubt regarding this? I mean neither, to find neither, any doubt? No? It's okay. So next. Eighth one. How many students study only one subject? Listen guys, already we have found answer for this. How many students study only one subject, right? Only one. How many students study only one? 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 9 is 39. We have found already answer for this question, okay? So eighth one is 39. Ninth one is same. Only one or exactly one are the same question, okay? Words are different, but both are same. Again 39, okay? For 10th one, how many students study only 2 subjects? Here also we have answer, okay? Only 2 is 18, okay? So only 2 is 18, 11th one also 18. Only 2, exactly 2, right? Only 2 and exactly 2. Now, how many students? Only 3. We know already 3 students are studying all the 3 subjects, right? Only 3 subjects, right? Exactly 3, same. Okay. So now the condition, 14th one. 14th one, right? At least one. We know already at least one means A union B, right? At least one means minimum should be 1, only 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? That is nothing but A union B. What is 1 already? We know 1 is 39 plus 2 is 18 plus 3 is 3. So 60. Answer is 60 for 14th one. Okay. So for 15, how many students study at least 2? At least 2 means 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3. We know what is 2? 18 plus 3 is 21, right? And 16. How many students? At least 3. We know already for 16th one, 3 is the answer for the 16th one. Clear? 3 is the answer for 16th one. Clear? Right? 17th one. How many study at most 1? I already told you what is at most 1. At most 1 means neither plus 1. We know the neither value, right? What is the neither value actually? We know the neither value. Neither value is 3, correct? Neither value is 3, right? Okay. So 1. So how many students studying one subject? How many students studying one subject? 39, right? Clear? Any doubt in utmost 1? So next one is 18th one. Utmost 2. What is utmost 2? Again, utmost 2 means neither plus 1 plus 2, right? So 3 plus 39 plus 18. That is nothing but 60, right? 3 plus 39 plus 18. That is nothing but 60. And at most 3. Listen guys, at most 3. At most 3 means all the values. Okay, at most 3 means all the values. Neither 1, 2 plus 3, right? So neither is 3, 39 plus 18 plus 3 is equal to 63, right? If you have any doubt regarding this, ask me now. No, right? No. 16th one, right? 16th one. What is the answer? So there are 3: English, Hindi, Maths. Okay. The total number of students who took the test is 500. Okay. Total number of students is 500. Okay. They're asking for what is the percentage of students who failed in at least. Oh. Okay. Okay. The inside numbers are failed students. Okay. Number of failed students. Okay. The total number of students who took the test is 500. What is the percentage of students in at least 2 subjects? Okay. So at least 2 means 2 and 3. Okay. So what is the value of at least 2? They are asking for what is the percentage of failed students, percentage of students who failed in at least 2 subjects. Okay. At least 2 means we know 2 plus 3, right? So what is the value of 2 plus 3, right? So we need to take this one, this one, this one, this one, the into mark places. We need to add those values, right? So 10 plus 12 plus 12 plus 5. Nothing but 24, 34 is equal to 39. We need to find the percentage for 39. So 39 by 500 is nothing but 7.8. Hey guys, listen. Yes, listen. They are asking for percentage, right? So they are asking for percentage. So 39 by 500. They are not asking for how many students failed in at least 2 subjects. So read the question carefully. They are not asking for how many students are failed in at least 2 subjects. If it is so, answer is 39. But our question is percentage. So we need to find the percentage. So 39 divided by 500 into 100. So to find the percentage, 39 divided by 500 into 100, right? So our answer is 7.8. Clear? They are not asking for the numbers. So answer is yes, Varshini. Answer is 7.8, not 39. Okay, because they are asking for percentage. Divakar V, previous slide. Okay. 17, 18, 19, 20. So 17, 18 are very easy. Again, previous. Divakar, is that okay? So previous slide. And Kavi, which slide you are asking for? This one or 16th question? Done, sir. 14, 15, 16. Okay, you are asking for this one. Okay, Kavi, is it clear? Shall we go for next question? Hey, sir, why do we add neither in utmost one? I mean, the one who asked this doubt, right? The sir, why do we add neither in utmost one? What's your name actually? Why do we add neither in utmost one? Because neither means maximum, utmost means maximum. So we need to take minimum value also, right? So for maximum value is 1. So we need to take 0. 0 is the minimum value, right? Arivial. Yeah. Some name arke. Arivial. Arivial or Arivial? Some super. Okay. Right. So 17th one. 17th one. Well, listen. For this question, you no need to write this. Take the total students is 100 student. Okay. What is A? A is 60% means 60, right? What is B? 30% football. 60 means cricket. Okay, cricket is 60%. So 60. 30% of students play football. Then 30. 60%. I mean, 60% of 100 is 60. 30% of 100 is 30. Okay. So below the games. What is the number of students who does not play neither cricket nor football? They are asking for neither cricket nor football. Okay. So we can clearly say, right? Listen guys. Total is equal to A union B plus neither. Okay. So what is A union B here? Is neither cricket or nor football, right? Sorry. 10% play both the games, right? So we have A intersection B is 10% play both the games, right? Now listen here. Total is equal to what is A union B? A plus B minus A intersection B plus neither. Okay. I have written for A union B. So this is for A union B, right? A plus B minus A intersection B. Okay, total is. What is the total value? 100. A 60, B 30, minus 10 plus N, right? 90 minus 10 is 80. So N is equal to 100 minus 60 plus 9, 100 minus 80. Is that clear? 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 minus 10 is 80, right? So N is equal to 100 minus 80. So N is equal to 20. Okay. So 17th one answer is 20, right? Okay. Listen, guys. Listen. So 18 and 19 are same as that of 17. Okay. It is also very easy. So you can solve by your own. Okay. So 18 and 19. Okay. So yes, now 20th one. Yes, 20th one. Okay. 20, question number 20. Right? 19 boys. This is one of the interesting question. Listen here. 19 boys turn out for playing hockey. So how many students total? Total is 19. Right? Total is 19. Right? Of this, 11 are wearing hockey shirts. Okay. 11 are wearing hockey shirts and 14 are wearing hockey pants. Okay. So this is a relationship between shirt and pant only. Shirt and pant only. 11 are wearing shirt. Okay. This is shirt and pant. That's it. Right? 11 are wearing shirt வந்துட்டு 11 are wearing hockey shirts and 14 are wearing hockey pants. Okay, 14 are wearing hockey pants. There are no boys without shirt and or pants. Okay, there are no boys without shirt and or pants. What is the number of boys wearing full uniform? Okay, don't assume without shirt and or pants means okay, either they are wearing shirt or pant. Okay, either they are wearing either shirt or pant. That is the meaning for that, right? So there are no boys without shirt and or pants. Okay. No boys without, either they are wearing hockey shirt and any color pant or else hockey pant or any color shirt. Okay. That is the meaning for that. Okay. So here we don't have neither value. We don't have neither value, right? They do not mention about the do not participate value. We are going to find A this value, A intersection B value. Okay. So if A neither is not given, we know already total is equal to A union B, right? If neither is not given, we can take total is equal to A union B. If all participates, right? Here all participates here. That is what the question. Either one is wearing hockey pant or hockey shirt. So all participate. So A union B is equal to A union B is equal to 19. Okay. So what is the formula for A union B? A plus B minus A intersection B. We know A union B is 19, A is 11 plus B is 14 minus A intersection B is nothing but A intersection B is equal to 11 plus 14 is 25 minus 19 is equal to 6. Yes, very good. 6 is the answer. Right? Yes, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. So 18 and 19 are homework, or you can solve it right now itself. Okay. So that's all about the today's concept. Okay, coding and decoding and set theory, right? And it is, I already told you, it is one of the set theory is one of the easiest among easiest. Okay. Actually, in while okay, see the third question, we have solved the 19th question, right? I mean, based on the 3, we have sub question is 19 sub questions. Okay, but they don't ask like they will ask only 2 or 3 questions based on the single diagram. Okay, if it is 3, they will ask they do not ask all the 19 questions. Okay, they will ask either 2 or 3 questions. That's it. Okay, only 2 or 3 questions based on the complete diagram. Okay, right. So now one guy asked me my number, right? So I will write my number here. Deepan. So guys, I already told you, if you have any doubt, okay, so you can reach me to this number. Okay, right? This is my number, right? So yes, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Others can leave the session, right? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Others can leave the session. And thank you. Tata, bye bye. Okay, see you with some other topic, some other interesting topic. Okay, right? Yes, thank you guys. அடுத்த தடவை வரப்ப ப்ளீஸ் டர்ன் ஆன் யுவர் வீடியோ. ஓகே, குளிச்சு முடிச்சுட்டு நல்லா ஒழுங்காக ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருங்க. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. 19th question in third page. Number 91 Satya. 19th question in 90. Hema, I want to see you actually, but you are not, you didn't turn on your video, right? ரொம்ப நன்றி சார், இதெல்லாம் கரெக்டாக சொல்லுங்க. பட் ஒரு வீடியோ டர்ன் ஆன் பண்ண சொன்னால் பண்ணுறது இல்லை. ஹேமா, நான் ஒன்று தான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். ரைட், ஓகே. எஸ், தேங்க்யூ வேலு. ஓ நோ, ஓ நோ, ஓ நோ. Yes, Meera, 19th question. What's your doubt, ma? 19th question. 19th question. Yes. At most 3 means 3 is the maximum value. So minimum, neither 1 plus 2, right? Neither 1, 2, 3. So neither is, we know already 3 is the neither. I mean, no, 3 students participated in any of 3, okay, right? So 1 is 39, 2 is 18, and 3 subjects is 3. So we need to add all the values. We know already 60, 60 plus 3 is 63, right? Right, Meera? Is that okay? (45) and 49 coding. Actually, yes, Gayatri. Yes, Gayatri. Yes, Meera. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yara, and 1 minute. 1 minute. So please excuse me. So 1 minute. I'll be right back. Yes, Gayatri Devi, logic for that puzzle is number of letters. Count the number of letters in that puzzle. Okay, for example, 12, right? So first one is 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. So 12. There are 6 letters. In 6, S, I, X, we have 3 letters. Count the number of letters in the word, right? That's it, okay? 3. So answer is 5. T, H, R, E, E. So number of letters is 5. Okay? Yes. Okay. Meera, 49th and 49th question. Meera, are you there? Is a coding and decoding topic, right? 49th and 49th question, right? Yes, Meera. GHI is 15. Hey, this question. GHI is nothing but 1578. DEF. Okay. ABC. Okay, listen, guys. So GHI 1578. Okay. So I already told you, whenever you are getting the question like this, then it is based on the logic of position of the letters in the alphabet. I already told you, right? Whenever you are seeing the question like this, position of the letters in the alphabet. So what is the position of the letter G in the alphabet? 7, H, 8, 9. So here we have 1578. We have 7, 8, 9. How can we get 1578 by from 789 into 2? That's it. Now go for D. 4, 5, 6, right? Into 2 is nothing but 912. So next, A1, B2, C3 into 2 is nothing but 246. So 45, Meera. Is that clear, Meera? 45, just give a try and ask me later. Okay? This one of simple trickiest question. So give a try, spend some time for the question and then find the answer. Right? If you find the answer, let me know. Right? Okay, Meera? என்ன ரிப்ளை காணும்? மீரா தான் மியூட்ல தான் இருக்காங்களே.
Will the answer be option D, sir?
Option D for 45th.
Yes, sir.
Option B da actual answer. Option B. Try பண்ணி பாருங்க. If you're not getting answer, let me know. Okay? Right? So option
Okay,
B
sir.
is the answer.
Thank you, sir.
வேற யாராச்சும் இருக்காங்களாப்பா? What about that Hema? ஹேமா இருக்காங்களா போயிட்டாங்களா? சரி ஓகே. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.